Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti, I the mix-up daddy.
Check.
Hallelujah.
Check.
Ragashanti go on and on.
Missy, big up yourself. Missy and Large of Colin, Brian, Christina. All right. It's a Friday. Ready up now. Stop it, Prezi. Stop it. Well, I'll stop it there, Freddy. Stop it there. We'll soon run back the intro. People don't know what TC down. Don't know what TC. People don't hear what me hear. Don't hear what me hear. TC, I walk on a borrow people jacket. TC, I walk a borrow jacket. TC, MCTC, want to see all over Brooklyn. I walk on a borrow people jacket. I walk on a borrow people. TC, big and serious, man. You can't, TC, you can't have foreign and I look so much woman and thing and you walk on a borrow jacket so much. TC, we get it live, TC, we get it live. You walk on a borrow jacket. Enough of them jacket that want to see TC in a them big people party or whatever. A borrow jacket. TC, you for do better and so your mama grew you. Run back the intro, Prezi. Run back the intro. Oh, yeah!
Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Me ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Ready up now. Tambourine, you know.
Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Well, Anna, stop it again, Prezi. Stop it. People don't know it's a furniture deal and Irie deal. Every first Sunday, them have a thing named teardrops. Teardrops up a Mingles, up a Bronx. People may look on the next flyer. The next teardrops are forward. That's a Sunday I come here, you know, because Sunday are the first, you know. So the next teardrops are this Sunday, you know. You don't know who I'm going to select on it this Sunday. Who remember last week when me I talk about who I'm asking who are the best dressed selector in a New York City? I say for Glamour Wayne, and somebody call in and say, should I give it to Ricky Genius? So Ricky Genius dressed better than Glamour Wayne. And me, I said, no, Glamour Wayne. And Judas said, Glamour Wayne. You remember that talk the last week, no? People in know said the two select up on teardrops this Sunday up on Mingles with IrieJam and Deal from People's Choice Furniture put on is Ricky Genius and Glamour Wayne. People, and this you can find out, you know. People who go to event, them want to go to event and tell me which one are the better dresser. Wait, hold on, Prezi. Call IrieJam for me. Call IrieJam. No, wait, no. Call People's Choice Furniture. Deal from People's Choice Furniture. Call him there for me. Call him there right now. Call Dale from People's Choice Furniture right now. Call him nasty this time. I'm a brother that. I'm a brother that. Call him right now and tell him, say, me, Barack Obama, brother, Ragashanti, need to talk to him right now. You understand? How we bust Joe Biden make him a president and thing or whatever. How we set the thing or whatever. You get him? Yeah, man. You get him, president? Him no answer. People tell Dale, People's Choice, tell Dale say we are call him. Voila. I want him, I want that boy. Him still no answer. You have IrieJam number. Call IrieJam right away because we know say it's on. People, me I declare myself I'm right now. Me I declare myself right now. Me don't want nobody vex. Ricky Genius, we're cool, you know. But me don't want you vex. But me say Team Glamour. Me say Team Glamour win. Glamour win. Team Glamour win. Me see who I cheer. Let me see if anybody ever cheer for who whatever. Team Glamour win, me say. See if you get IrieJam. None of them not answer them phone. Yo, tell Dale from People's Choice Furniture, say we are. Need a IrieJam. Dale from people. Dale and none of them not answer them phone. IrieJam answer them phone, Prezi. Eh? Eh? All right, bring him in. Bring in IrieJam. Hello. Hello. IrieJam. IrieJam. Yeah, walk one.
Not no way I did, brother.
This is Ragashanti upon Ragashanti Live. You know my thing,
I know it's Ragashanti, Ragashanti. I don't know why you call me, because when you call anybody, you know, you have to be like on a P and Q, you know, brother.
Well, listen to me right now. First of all, before me get to the matter where I get to the one time when Mixup come in upon the show, I'm sure you must hear about it, you know. And one man call in and say, you never said on the boy, you hear about it. A man call in and say, any MC you will take him home and that done. And I say, why? And the man said, dog gave us your IrieJam foot big. You are nearly dead in here. Yo. But listen to me. Yeah, you hear about it, don't?
Yeah, me hear about it.
The man say, yo, he wouldn't want back that woman there for you take her because he don't know if anything, he never get any respect this after you go there and thing. But anyway, here we go on.
Yes,
me see the flyer for teardrops. Teardrops keep every Sunday. Every first Sunday I mingles up at the Bronx, right? That's a teardrops. Big people, something nice, classy music. People put on them clothes and dress. Nobody not in there with jeans that hang below them bottom and all them something there. People smell good.
No, right.
Nobody not smell like garlic mixed with ginger water and all them something. The people them beard and clean and smell good and all them put on them good clothes and all them thing there. And people behave good and whatever and all them something there. I my type of something them there. But last week, I asked a question, you know. Because you know, it's a glamour we ain't ever clean. Just talk it truth and done. Give him rating.
Clean.
Ever clean, right? Right? He may go Obia man out of St. Thomas to get the ever young Obia, but one thing, him always dress clean. All right. So I had posed the question and I said, people, do you think that Glamour Wayne is the best dressed Jamaican selector in a whatever? Because when we go to a celebrity soccer match, you know, Glamour Wayne in a shot and you know, because shop and put them and Glamour Wayne a neat up in a shot. Mr. Glamour Wayne a football you can play. What I'm telling you, you have to neat. The man a put on him shirt and in him shot and a broke on him shirt. Good for make sure say him neat, you know. Him man take it in on another level. Him serious about the thing. Him serious about the thing.
I feel him think that.
Yeah. And when Glamour Wayne wear what we in a Jamaica call judging clothes, him still have to clean. It's
very good.
All right.
I appreciate that about him too, because him kind of lift the bar.
Yes, man. Him lift the bar and thing, and him set an example for people who don't know for dress. Like, you know, Jabba and Oxtail and thing, they don't know for dress and all this. But anyway, what me I said was, somebody put it out there, you know, say somebody, Judas say, yeah, no, I'm going to give it to Glamour Wayne for true. Because brother people say Glamour Wayne. And somebody call in and say, a Ricky Genius. I'm going to say, Ricky Genius. And she said, yes, I give it to Ricky Genius. I'm going to say, a friend thing. And she said, no, Ricky ever clean. Low and below. Me go see the teardrops will come this Sunday. And who are the two selected them upon him? Glamour Wayne and Ricky Genius. So that's why I call either you or Dale, you know, because I tell everybody when you go this Sunday and mingles, when you go. Me want the decision make right there, so. So me want me I tell you right now, you know. I'm trust your judgment, you know. And we are big man or whatever, so we can look and see if a man judge good. And nobody now say we go low, because we not bouncy things certain way. We can just look and know if a man. So me want you tell me who, which one of them you think?
Next week, me will tell you. Next week, no, me will tell you what I want.
Next week,
by
Friday.
Monday,
yeah.
Monday, me call you and
by
tell you what I want.
No, me know. You see, through Friday show simulcast. And New York are here, so we have to wait till Friday. The Monday and Wednesday show.
May you talk about that?
Yeah, the Monday and Wednesday show, it only go up on the Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica.
Okay.
So next week,
All
Friday.
Right, so we don't
yeah.
Wait till Friday again then.
So it's on Jama. But me I declare myself right now still, you know. Team Glamour Wayne, you know. A team Glamour Wayne, Mr. Ricky Genius, me no want you vex, but a team Glamour. So me know you're going to be objectively and just tell who you think win. But right now, who you think are going to take it? You don't want to take no side because you're the promoter.
Why? We're not going to say that.
No, don't take no side. You're the promoter.
No, we're not take no side. We're not take no side.
Yeah, you're the promoter.
You know what?
Why?
Wait till Sunday come, Mr. What?
Sunday. People at this Sunday. Mingles, right? And every month thing, this is going long time. Everybody love the party. Big people party.
Sunday,
Classic. Every first Sunday. Every first Sunday at Mingles.
And it starts 6 o'clock.
And it starts 6 o'clock. So you go early in the evening.
I know by now you don't have to cook no food Sunday, because everybody they don't have to cook no food. We provide food.
Want to provide food?
Full
Okay.
Course, full course menu.
For real? So food in there?
Full course.
So we had food always
DJ
there?
Right, when DJ Right come in, eat one and carry one with him.
Oh God, Jesus, and thing like that. Well, that is good. That is good. You know, so them have one selector and we work with IrieJam. You know what I mean? Superstar. You know him?
Yeah, me hear about him.
Yeah, but all right then. You know want him come up there like how now serve food here?
No, me see him already, but me have to make him stay far.
Yeah, make him stay far, because when you're man for whole life food, him one of them people where you can't carry him nowhere food there, because him not brought up.
That's why I tell you, me hear about him.
Yeah. Now bring him. Now make superstar go there. Him no ramp with the food. Not to mention the one dirty fatter diamond. Right, them not when them say food, them not brought up, so them not behave properly and all them thing. Them not, them not represent for them mother and them family. Them just, you know what we say in Jamaica, gravelicious. You know that word there, gravelicious. That's what them things set. Yeah, but for me, them size, me know say them no. They don't come near food. So me just want my food. Me want Glamour Wayne take it, you know. Me declare myself, so I say Team Glamour Wayne. Ricky Genius, now why you feel no way, you know, because it look like he all a barrel close to like TC too, you know. So me don't know, cause sometimes I say Ricky Genius and him close, them not sit down upon him, them not fit him like a what. Listen to me. One time I see Ricky Genius in one jacket, you know them big thick curtain there for winter curtain, right? I saw him, Ricky Genius, if you don't like it, come drape me. All right, but when me I say, Glamour Wayne a bad dresser for Ricky Genius. And that me I say. But if Ricky Genius win, me want you say Ricky Genius win. You understand what I say? Me want you talk it. Me tell you what I go. All right. Friday we have another talk on this. Yeah, and me want you ask the crowd too. Me don't want to just depend upon phone judgment. Ask the crowd out of Glamour Wayne and Ricky Genius who dress better this Sunday at Teardrops and Mingles start 6 o'clock. Food is available and all these things and whatever. Every first Sunday, Mingles in the Bronx. Parking is not a problem and thing right there. So, really for parking spot and all these things, all right? Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Big people, music and all these things and whatever. Nice little vibes, people. May I tell you whatever this and that. People smell good. People bathe before them go them soap up 2 and 3 times and then put on nice smelling lotions and all these things and so forth. Fingernail clean and all them something there and whatever. Yeah. So you can bounce up and people and nobody not like them arm green and thing and not for knocking out and all them something there. Right? And things so not for worry. This Sunday. Early thing. IrieJam, you're my brother, you know. You know that, you know, all right? You know, so, did I make you laugh, so? Imagine me and you having a very serious conversation and you're dead with laugh. I don't even know what to think of that.
My wife in the car, I can't laugh.
Your wife are dead with laugh. Well, listen to me now. Big up your wife, you know, man. Yo, well, let me talk to your wife for a second.
She does.
She here?
Hello there.
How you do, darling? All is well?
Hi, yes, all is well. Thank you so much. You're so funny. You're very hilarious.
Okay, listen to me now. Me now put your business out there, but you know, you're a very strong woman. Me now put your business out there because, you know, you have had some challenges. And let me tell you something. On a couple of occasions, I had some conversation with your husband. And when I tell you that man love you and concerned about you, I know nothing normal here. A real thing me I tell you, right? Real thing me I tell you. The man just concerned about you and me have to do so and so. Me have to hold it now in a Raga and discuss. She hold it for me, so me have to hold it for her and whatever. You have a strong, solid man right there so beside you, yeah? Trust me, I tell you that. Right?
Thank you. That's so nice to know. Thank you so much, Raga.
Blessings, man,
Thank
and
you
you take
so much.
care, here. Love and blessings,
Blessings
here.
to you, too. Thank you so much. Love to you, too. Much love. Thank you.
All right, then, protection.
Yes, Raga.
IrieJam, this Sunday, it is on, people. This Sunday, here we are come. Teardrops up and mingles. It starts 6 o'clock. The two big bad selector, them who know big people music, Ricky Genius, Glamour Wayne. But when me, Ragashanti, ask, you know, me want to notice how them dress and tell me the truth. Who take it this Sunday? Will it be Glamour Wayne? Will it be Ricky Genius? Listen to me now, man. I am so excited about this. We just want to say hallelujah. All right, big up yourself here, sir. All right, big up yourself. All right. See you on the road out there.
All right, yeah, man, take care.
All right, IrieJam. Listen, people, me
All
see.
right.
Yeah, man, blessing. People, me serious in our team. Glamour, me say, you know. In fact, me going to just call him. Well, I don't even want to pressure the thing right now, you know. And think, Prezi, call Glamour in the Prezi. 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 Lord Jesus. Prezi. I ain't come back now. Prezi, call Glamour in the film real quick. I could do this quick. Call Glamour. You have Glamour number, don't you? In Prezi? Call him the real quick. I could deal with this real quick because this serious for me. In the meantime, people, while President called Glamour Wayne, you know what we are dealing with today? We are dealing with a thing named Under My Nose Mix-Up. Any mix-up who don't know what is a under my nose. Jamaican people who don't know what under my nose mean. Jamaican people who don't know what under my nose mean, right? And the mix-up that someone want to call in for. You can't call in with any mix-up on the avenue, right? Remember now, this is a comedic, this is a culture and lifestyle mix-up entertainment show with a strong emphasis on the comedic dynamic, okay? Right? This is an opportunity for you to laugh and to unwind and decompress and put your problems aside and think and whatever and juggle and just release and laugh and enjoy on yourself. You ready? Prezi, call Glamour in the film. So, Under My Nose Mix-Up. Right? While Prezi call Glamour in there. People, you know, so this brother you pick up one woman and thing, but him they live in yard with him father. Right? This is you know get him. You know get Glamour with. You have number for Ricky Genius? Me not have number for Ricky Genius, you know. Hold on, I'm looking at my phone there. But you know, say I'm in here Ragashanti, so I get them things real quick, you know. All right then. Let me see if me have number for Ricky. I'm supposed to have everybody number, you know. I'm in name though. Let me see if him. Number no in here, you know, but probably at the other phone, because I get no phone, you know. Talk up to my people, I get. Okay, well, me not know. So you say you don't get Glamour Wayne? Okay, it must be a sort out. Anyway, run back an inch for the show now. Make us start the show good again. We'll soon get it back. Somebody soon tell him, say me I call.
Oh, yeah! Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Let's go!
Ready.
I need soap and blend that time. to the call and talk up the kings there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because you see the boy out there to get up here with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga.
Oh, this sounds so slow.
You're Haganiering because we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering.
Let's go.
Aganeering to the flavor.
Hi. Ragashanti are the mix-up daddy. Hallelujah.
Cartel, what you say?
Ragashanti go on and on.
Hey.
Yes.
Let's go.
Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feeling this,
go.
right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Take it up. Let's go. Hey. Here we go now. Tambourine, you know. Ready up now. When me dance at them there. When me dance a woman them there. When me dance a woman them there. Boss a dainty wine now. No, dainty wine girl. Slow wine girl. Make up your face, girl. Make up your face, girl. Give me the wine, girl. Yeah. Ice it up now. Slow wine now. Dainty wine now. Slow wine now. Dainty wine now. Boom it up, girl. Boom it up. Woyo! Big up on yourself, people. You know, my name Ragashanti. And my name Miss Cherry Washbelly. My mama last pitney, I think she dead and gone. But the legacy I beat out them nastiness. Yeah, the legacy I batter them bad. Big up everybody. Okay, random big up. Random strange big up. Big up all who used to good pan long division in a school. Yo, me I talk about Jamaica. This might be a stupid question, but President do them for the long division in America. President, you do that something with the line where go so, and then you divide this and then the remainder and you put the other one under. Me did bad for long division, you know. I'm never good for maths, you know. But me bad for long division. Yeah. Big up all who used to batter with long division in a school. And hold it and cut it and go through. Yeah, it's a random strain mix up, big up that. Alright? Big up all who used to take common enchants at Jamaica before them get bossy with the city when named GSAT. All common enchants people, big up on yourself. Big up all who used to go to what was called a secondary school, where them eventually changed the whole of them to high school. But he did have secondary school different from high school. And them did go on like them now and rate up a secondary school, pitting them to most of the secondary school, them did their country in a ghetto. So big up all of the original secondary school people. I'm large up on yourself. Okay. When I somebody pick it too. I don't know this special for a long time. Okay. Big up all who used to drink Cersei. Big up all who used to drink Cersei and ginger. Who know about that something there, yeah? Big up all who used to drink some hot chocolate tea with the oil on the top. When that burn out your nastiness, your mouth feel like it a shock. Your tongue feel like it a shock. We are talking about them hot chocolate tea there with the oil on the top. Missy Missy, me rate you down in Atlanta, you know, me rate you, you know, Missy, but me not think you know about, because Missy is not Jamaican, you know, but Missy more Jamaican than most, a lot of Jamaican women know. Missy down in Atlanta, she just have the essence of Jamaica in her. When Missy tell me she's not Jamaica, she man, I couldn't believe it. But Missy, me know, so you don't know that hot chocolate tea something there with the oil on the top. You don't know that something there. Press, you know about that? Hot chocolate tea with that. Okay, come me think say you don't go say you know, come me don't say you don't know nothing about it. You know about hot chocolate. Right? You don't know about hot chocolate. Hot chocolate can't come to our hot chocolate tea. With the oil on the top. Me I talk about, let me see who said it. Michian say yeah. Angela Smith say yeah. Nablet know about that something there. Right? See, they're the people that post up a thing on Facebook. Them know about that something there. With the oil on the top. DL people's choice, DL, him know about that something that Chilani come from. Chilani people, him know about that something. You understand? We are talking about with the oil on the top. We now say oil go in at the hot chocolate, you know. So when the chocolate make, I just saw it come on. It have one oil something on the top. Listen to me, man. When you sip that you know, when you sip things, when you sip it, you cool it when you sip it. Not even that, I'm cool hot chocolate tea. Them days are all you cool hot chocolate tea. Prezi, you know how ghetto people and country people cool hot chocolate tea at Jamaica. Them get 2 mug. A mug we call it. Them do, me know they say they don't call it mug up here, but a mug we did call it. And when you say 1 cup of chocolate, 1 cup of I throw in the next cup. Then the cup they throw back in the cup there. Then the cup they throw back in the cup there. And a sooty cool at Jamaica. A sooty cool at ghetto. Who boy you sit down and put on tea for cool? No, sir. You have to throw it from 1 cup to the next cup, and throw it from the next cup, and a sooty cool. Because let me tell you, man, couple times the hot chocolate there, the chocolate tea there, clot up my nastiness in a bun up my good tongue, you know, man. It's a wonder I can't have my tongue now if I do this something with them. Like, you know, kiss my girlfriend. So, I don't want to go think, say, may I use my tongue for other things more than talking and kissing my lady. Okay, all right, so, because I know say someone don't have a problem, you know. Only love to assume the negative. All right, here we are. We're going to take a break, but we're forward. And I know it's mix up, so let me go on one quick one. One quick one before we take a break, so you know what kind of mix up we are talking about. So, well, stop. Don't play me. No, don't play me. I'm not ready yet. Okay. What may I say is, this brother, him live with him father at Jamaica, you know. And he meet this woman here. A long time something, but still, you know. I remember Woolworth. Woolworth still about? Well, anyway, we did have one Woolworth on King Street. And he meet one woman named Woolworth. And thing and whatever, and a lyrics are and all these things and whatever. And him and her get in and them start talk and all them something there. So the youth here, him and him father move good, you know. I'm father, but them move like them a brother, you know. Because him and I'm late 20s, you know. And him father a big man and thing. And, you know, them reason and thing and whatever. And know who them a talk to and whatever. Eventually, the youth bring a woman who him there with in can live with him in a place, all right? And them there, they are juggle. Some more while when the youth have problem, him go talk to him father about it. And him go talk to him father and say, boy, you know, so she move X from what the and thing like, oh, she that juggle and thing. She not juggle away there and sitting and whatever and this and that. And, you know, I say, boy, I know even to understand how I go on and, you know, like she move X, you know, like something that go on the outer, you know. And him talk to him father about it. And him father give him some counseling, you know. And I say him for careful and, you know, and I must saw it go. But Ray. One time, him and I kick off wicked and one big cussing and all them something there, you know. And the father come on and say, yo, you can't calm down and whatever, man, and thing. And the two of them now, them a give for them side of the story to the father and whatever, this and that. And the youth just get mad. And just walk away and things like that. And she did they talk to his father. When the youth come back, she called him and talked to him and then she apologized. And, you know, so she was a reason with the father and she apologized and whatever. And the youth and her reason and thing and whatever. And two, them start to make up slam. Them start to make up dash out, make up sort out. One piece of make up sort. The youth say she put it on him, wicked. Like the sort out, turn up, and all these things and whatever. So after that, the next day, I talk to him father and I say, so what did happen when me leave? And him say, no, she did not give you a fair side of the story and me and her reason and thing. And me make she see your perspective. And then I kind of make you understand, whatever. And him say, sometimes a woman need to hear this and whatever. And him say, well, whatever you say to her, it worked because she come back and all a reasoning and thing and we end up and, I do the things them and whatever and it thing turn up. And them they live same way and thing and every now and then argument bust out again and so the youth have this thing now when more while and we still go back to the father and say talk to her again they have for me man because we and then after every time when they talk to her like the thing balance out and all these things and whatever and I'm go on. One at a time now it take reach a level where broking up go on and she left the place and move out. She move out and left it whatever this and that and it's like no reconciliation couldn't go on and all them things and whatever. Ray. All right. So him talk to his father about and say them broke up and thing and whatever. Bam. A good time pass and them sitting there pass and whatever. One time now the youth I play football. And somebody who him a play football with ask him about the woman who him did there with. And he must say, no, him not talk to her again or whatever and thing or whatever. And he must say, yeah, but because I see like she deal with one big man you know and thing. I must say one big man, or whatever. I must say, yo, I don't know him, I just know a big man or whatever. So him describe a big man, we call it van in a Jamaica, but up here we call it truck, like one of them FISO, F-150 type or something there or whatever. So him describe it and thing and so the youth I say, oh, yeah man. My father have one of them. Yeah, my father have one like that too and thing and whatever. And the man I tell him the color and he must say, yeah, I see him color my father have and thing and whatever. And he must say, oh, for real? And he must say, yeah. But he must say, but the color that my father have and my father kind of did redone the vehicle, so it's just interesting to see that same color. So he might tell him something about the thing, but, so the youth I say something about the grill upon the front. Because Jamaican, some of them in other hypes up there. So I tell him about the grill. So the youth I said, nah, man, I the same thing my father have. And then I said, no man, mine and my father, you see, and think, think she deal with a man. And the youth I said, no, she deal with a man. Me not ask her, she deal with a man. Whatever. The youth I said, no, but that sound like my father, man. So the youth go ask him father now, if him still a link with him, if him still talk to him ex-girl. And the father said, no. Me not chat to her from you and her broke up and thing. But something just kind of like bunks, away with the youth. The youth I said, nah, man, like the grill thing, a bad him and the uniqueness about the thing and whatever. So him just go, so boom, no, I not tell him brethren himself, a link up and thing, and then time the bread out the man forward and thing. I cut long story short, when he fly go over there, the father chuck over there with the beam, man. So the youth goes, so and running and place, man, and the woman see father. And he makes whatever this and that, and the youth start make up, be a nice no, and I say, yeah, I want go on. I want when this a go on. Imagine me left your woman and thing, me left my woman and thing, and you run go pick her up or whatever. And the father say, I just cool, man, we talk about it and whatever. And I say, so him start style up it, him start style her up now. And but talk to call her WHORE and all them something there, and I say, Ray. You know good, and you're going to pick up my father after and whatever, this and that. And so the way I style her up now and this and that, she go ball out. Listen to me. Me didn't want to left you a long time. And him tell me something to talk to you. Because me and him a F word, me and him a F for long before the first argument when him did talk to you and me come back and give you a good sort out and thing. People, the father and the youth woman I sort out long before the first argument there, when he walk away and the father go talk back to her and say, listen to me, man, just cool, man. You can't, I mash up a thing with you and him. Just keep a thing going, man, because me and you do so, and thing. So the whole time, right under him nose, him father broke him foot. Right under him nose and him never know. Right under him nose. Him woman and him father, I do the something them damn thing and whatever. And she said, a long time she want to left him and thing and whatever. But the father keep on and tell her, I say, balance up a thing. That's when them finally mash up and thing. The father just start link her one away and go on with the something them and thing and whatever. And you know, said the youth and him father remain good after that still. Well, you know, father, son, born again, something like that and whatever. But the point is, right under him nose, the things them did happen and him never know. And them mix up them, I want to say, if you don't know anything like that, I want to call him about anything else when I want to call him about, you know. But if you don't know any drama like that, any mix-up like that, where some things that are going right under people's nose and them never know, call in and tell about it in the night, yeah. You see me? Jamaica, big up on yourself, in a Bridge 99 FM, Bridge Nation, large up. IrieJam family right here in New York and America and Canada and all over. We're going to have some fun tonight. Watch it right, we're going to break soon forward.
From Flat Bridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling
Yeah,
shop.
you know.
People like to grab them when them fresh and hot. Everybody do a song.
Stop it, stop it, man. People don't know I'm add this, you know. Who don't know, say, Raga add this. President, who even do that to start my ad and don't make me know. Listen to me, no, man. Listen to me. Don't make me go send me around over here and give big foot and boast, you know. Run back my ad, you know, President. Run back my ad, you know.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot.
Sure.
Back to the original dumpling shop. People like to grab them when them fresh and hot. Everybody do a song, love it when spread. At the original dumpling shop, our handmade dumplings, great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on the top. With vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee and saltfish, the ham and the porridge, the steam fish, the curry goat. So let's talk about
Dumpling shop, it never dumpling shop. Why you dumpling? I might add this to the people. Yes, it's up pretty good for them. I know, President. Why you? Send on.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling shop. People like to grab them when them fresh and hot. Everybody do a song, love it when spread. At the original dumpling shop, our handmade dumplings, great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on top. With vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee and saltfish, the ham and the porridge, the steam fish, the curry goat. So much food to talk about.
Dumpling shop, it call it dumpling shop. Why you?
We are the original.
Never copycat.
Everybody say we are the
cream of the crop.
We're in the Bronx right next to the 5 train stop. 3435 Manchester Avenue in the Bronx. 718-653-7777.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Here, Prezi. The text. Raga, you ever go to the dumpling shop yet? No, me never go there. Them a text me. No, man, I go there one day, man. I go there one day and check it out. We just love them ad. The ad sweet. The ad bad. Give me a call, Prezi, I could see if I can get some under my nose mix-up. Hello.
Hello.
What you say? Hot and spicy, what go on? You and the bullfrog them.
Me supposed to love them, that's why. The little old done by the boy I go pass in place Wednesday night.
Me know what you know? Are you first card? You ready? You did add theme the whole time now.
And me tell me just a recite the local done by the boy.
The man say you want to look at underprivileged girl, and that the man say.
Yeah. The Raga.
Yeah.
Raga. You can sit down. You see the little old done by the boy?
Yeah.
Him not have no brakes.
Him not have no brakes.
Him not have no clutch.
Him not have no clutch.
Him not have no reverse.
No reverse.
No reverse. Raga.
Yeah.
Me. You see this a maga girl here?
Yeah.
This a maga girl body strong.
Yeah.
Because you see this a girl here? Cook her cow skin.
Yeah.
And use it and boil her Irish fresh and her linseed.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And this little boy come talk about underprivileged girl.
Yeah.
Me not pay for no PP mate.
You know, if you know what? Well, you can't have the man that talk back at you, man. When I want thing I say, well, enough to say up on the radio. Oh, him, I look you. Eh? Hot and spicy.
Reggae, make what a rummage man walk with you.
Okay, yeah, because when I want thing I say nothing, when I want thing I say nothing over the radio, way enough to say whatever. Where I look you.
Yes, Reggae.
You want to lift up your little maga body and bounce you upon the thing, down.
Yeah, and it's full of rum.
And
It's full
full
of
of
rum
rum.
left, right, and center.
Tell him say you not take rum head. Tell
But
him you
he
not
know
take
that
rum
Raga.
head. Okay, you leave that to Navlet, Howard. You don't do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Go on, ta. Yeah.
Raga.
Eh.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me cook my carrot and me blend my carrot and me drink my carrot, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Right?
Yeah.
With the Guinness and the rum,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And this little done by the boy.
Yeah.
Somebody told them upon Spur Tree Hill when I have nothing in my body.
Yeah.
Walk around himself with me.
Outside them, outside.
Outside.
Damn right. Yeah.
Right, you know, she said no clutch.
Yeah,
He
him no-
can't find no gear.
Can't find a gear. No clutch, no brekes, no reverse. And thing.
Nothing.
Him just broke with so down. Him just broke with so. Yeah, yeah. How him feel
Right.
like?
What I feel like? He never said me recite for him. After Wednesday night, me recite.
No. But you're the first one, Carl, so you know, say, yeah, steam up on a bubble for him the whole time from Wednesday. You know? Hey, me tell him, you know, me say, watch at that spice. You can call him back and down, you know.
Yeah, he should know that too, because guess what? Enough time in people fight feel him. Because when he get up, he say, how are this doing, man?
What you say? What you say? Enough time in pee pipe. Feel him.
Yes, feel him.
Feel him.
Yeah.
No, me love your code them in pee pipe. Yo.
People fight feel him.
Me never hear, hey, the one the bad. Me never hear that. Me never hear that code they yet for the man them instrument in pee pipe. Listen to me, no man. No, you know, say baby Sam have one song. Sham have one song out. Wait name Pee something. Him have one song where him said the Pee, yes, the Pee. But that woman thing them him I refer to. But yeah, go on, yeah.
And you see people by feeling enough time. I when him get up to him and say, Lord Jesus, I want this for me.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus, help me. Me not have to do that. Me blend up my carrot.
Yeah.
Right? Me blend up me papa, me ripe banana, and me malta, and me little white rum, and me little guineas, and me little supper.
Well, you bring a papa, ripe banana, malta, carrot, and I would have little guineas and a little white rum, and Jesus have mercy, they hot and spicy. When you drink all them, they sitting in your aisle right here, you know, no man, how you manage?
Me just say, Lord, take me as I am.
No, but hold on, no, hot and spicy. Me want you talk the truth, you know, because and what you go around the thing like you take... Hold on, man, you go on like you take bad man for clown, you know. Hold on, Raga, you talk to somebody, I ask you a thing right now. Hot and spicy, you're 2022 right now, right?
Yeah.
And a whole heap of women out there help themselves. They might help themselves, right? So you don't help yourself. You never help yourself yet.
No, I'm going to tell you all the while, so I don't help myself. I say me help myself.
Hold on, hot and spicy. You never anyone there, you tell you know, no man or whatever, so you just help yourself and just kind of...
No. When me feel army, me just turn up and lock my foot them. Me just turn up and fold foot them and lock them and squeeze in the hand in it.
When you're army, you just lap your foot them and squeeze in the hand in it and that kill it?
Yeah.
No, but from what me hear, when you squeeze it, that make the hand in it even worse.
No, me just hi. You see two God give me medium bone.
Voila, hot and spicy. Just call them man and Raga you talk to. Hear what me answer. Hear what, hold on, I'm a big man I talk to you. Bill, big man I talk to you. Hear what me answer, man. Hot and spicy. You know, I'm nothing for shame right now. At 2020. Listen to me, no, man. At 2022 right now. Enough woman I do it. Listen to me, man. Them have them look a vibrator. Some of them have them look a dildo. Some of them, yeah, one thing where I run the place now, it named the rose. That I run the place up here. The woman them I use up them rose. And owner like them. Some them use them, you know, them use them look a finger. But you know, nothing for shame, man. We are tell like.
I tell you all the while, say me not have nothing, me not use no dildo. Me tell you all the while, say me not have nothing, me
Hot spicy. You hear what I say, no, man? Me not think you realize how serious the thing is, you know. Because I'm going to tell you, I make you know. Don't tell no lie on your front, man. If you tell lie on your... Listen to me, no, man. Bad blessing will follow you. Bad. What?
You not tell a lie on my platinum.
You not tell a lie on your platinum?
No,
me don't know if a platinum, yeah. Me probably get like a bronze or a silver, but you know reach gold and platinum and diamond and them.
What? I have diamond and pearl.
What?
Hello. You said diamond and pearl me have. You said when Annie didn't step me the right way, my head hurt me.
So well, you never, man, you never yet help yourself a little bit one day, like you.
No.
Why?
You know why my mouth don't attack me on the phone?
Why? You have something against it?
Me never see myself on the road there.
What wrong with the road there?
Me no know, me never see myself on it. Me just want to feel a straight pipe. I mean, I like to tell a little ugly boy, they say, I know, maga, slim and trim, don't need to go to the gym and I tough me tough, I tight, and my boy them set right.
Lyrics, Tambourine! What you say, and a maga, you maga, a slim, you slim and trim. And
I don't need to go to the gym.
And you don't need to go to the gym. And on a tough, you tough.
I tight, and my boy them set right.
I tight, and your bone them set right. I want some dirty boy. Tell them you're hot spicy.
Boy. Hey, remember saying Raga? Raga?
Yeah.
Remember saying them say, when you go to the supermarket, say you see one tin on the shelf, then top. It's not good enough to eat it because it's not good.
Yeah.
Some boy expire outdated.
Yeah. The boy we call when them expire outdated, done.
Yeah, the boy expire outdated. The boy not have no label.
No label, done that. No label. I just so tin him have. No local label for him thing, don't it? So tin. I want some boy.
He come like tree and I leaf drop off fight.
He come like what a no leaf tree, done.
Yeah, when you look up on the tree, you see a social branch, no leaf.
No leaf. When your leaf fall and not go in a winter. Dry like a wa. Nothing to him thing, though.
Dry like a wa, yeah.
Cool and dry. I want some boy. But you're underprivileged girl. Him out there,
I tell you, Wednesday night. But underprivileged girl. Boy, you dry your eyes. You stay bad. You come like one receipt when I have no print on it.
What? He come like one receipt with no print, though.
No print on receipt. So anyway, you there, sit down. Sit down and listen because guess what? I have me strong back it because I have Mr. Never Wrong to back me.
Yeah.
So tell him talk up.
What you say you have Mr. Never Wrong for back you?
Of course, because
so
Mr. Never Wrong a friend.
Because Mr. Never Wrong are call in and defend you then, right?
Of course, because all talk about underprivileged girls.
No, we're gonna see Mr. Never. We're gonna see Mr. Never Wrong are call in and defend you and think. Mr. Never Wrong, hot and spicy, I take our one man who call in Wednesday and do her up and say, oh, she want to look underprivileged girl. I think him did style up in him. This is some other things about you. Forgot what
yeah, but underprivileged girl to go all you teach me. Me know why you teach me nothing because you can't teach all dog no tricks.
Listen to me, though, man. Shots fired! Shots fired! Red alert! Red alert! Security! Security! Shots fired! Shots fired!
I can't talk about underprivileged girl and me not pay for no pee pipe.
No pee pipe.
Me not pay for.
No, okay, people, the debate was that Hot and Spicy say she not give no man no money if she get a good sort out. She not give no money for that car. We did a debate and I say man give woman money all the while, which is right. Them supposed to. But and nothing wrong if woman give man money when a man perform good car. The argument was good body forget things. Good Hot and Spicy say she not give no good body nothing. You understand? With you look a mean self. With you look a mean self. That's why the man done you. You know. No, but Hot and Spicy, if you get some good body, you must give them things. Good body. Yeah, right. President.
Hello, me no phone card, and guess what? When in front of the other line attack,
listen to me, a modern times now. Listen to me, a modern times now. Vibes Cartel say when woman get good sort out, she just run go make breakfast and say, good morning, sir. Here is your breakfast, sir. And see 100 pack because you won good last night. Big up your woman them. When you get some good work and thing on the street, the man them good and spend our money upon them. We are big up them woman there. Hot and Spicy, move your look at dirty nastiness with your mean self and go away. You understand? Listen to me. If you get good body, you must spend some money upon good body. You must spend some money upon good body. Spend some money when you get good body. Spend some money upon good body. Spend some money. But man must pay for that. But man must pay for that.
Feet and pay feet good because guess what? When it goes to boop and set like elastic and it just comes to boop and lock up back.
Listen to me, now, I'm going to take a break. When you say, when it goes to boom and stretch like elastic man, it go, yeah, well, when you say you have the snapback, Jojo, no?
Of course, my one little bit and cute and comfortable.
Yeah.
That's why I keep
it. You don't know your door. Your door hard for push you up now. When you push you up now, the one will swing back and shut after it open, you know? Yeah. Your door, no one of them door, when you open it and it just stay open, sir.
No, my door take long to open. My door take long to open. My door want double D40.
Yeah, you have to kind of like kick down your door the way it can't open down. Big up your good door because we're getting out your living room and worries. I want some people.
Worries, eh?
Yeah.
Tell look at dirty naked boy when I have no gear. You know, stand up on surgery ill. Go ahead.
All right, Atta Spice. We have a leg here. We have a leg. Big up yourself here. All right. People who don't know us, the regular Friday energy, you know, we say vibes and entertainment and thing. Just want to remind you that on Fridays the show is simulcast right here on IrieJam Radio and the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. And when we're simulcasting, as we are right now, we have to take a break at the top of the hour for 3 minutes. I'm at 93.5, do them thing, okay? So, in this instance, in New York, right here at 10 o'clock, which is 9 o'clock in Jamaica, we're going to break for 3 minutes now. So when we break, tan toddy, tan dede, don't move a muscle, because we have a forward, and you know, so we have 2 more hours of juggling, I think, because on a Friday night, it's all about 3 hours. At a surprise, say Mr. Never Wrong or call in and defend her. I don't know who Mr. Never Wrong or defend, you know, because would I prefer Mr. Never Wrong call in and then say, yo, man, forget things when them perform good. You understand? Just like how Mr. Never Wrong wife, you know, they take care of him when he perform good. Right? Because here, Mr. Never Wrong tell you, you know, what they say, oh, him fire stick ever ready. And that's why his wife did spend crazy money upon him and left the house game before she drop out and all these things. So, Mr. Never Wrong, feel free for done at and spicy. But you know, if you want done or defend her, we will find out. We will find out. But people, just want to remind you, it's all about under my nose Mixup or any Mixup one. We're going to take a break right now for 3 minutes. We'll be back. A Ragashanti live on IrieJam Radio on the Brig 99 FM. Why-oi?
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Welcome back up in our juggling. Press you get glamour in. I want him there. I want him to know, man. I'm going like him busier than anybody else. All right, people, in the juggling, I Ragashanti live in upon IrieJam Radio in New York City and thing on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. And with upon a thing named under my nose Mixup. Any Mixup we want to know about, what only did involve in I want to know about it with somebody else, you know, in terms of something that, hold that, just a call, and things in. Una Jamaica, I don't know what under my nose mean. Under my nose Mixup means. So I just want to call in and give me the Mixup them on that level. And any other Mixup one I've seen. I mean, I'm Ragashanti. This is a fun entertainment show and thing, culture and lifestyle with enough energy. You know I get glamour, you know? That nastiness and thing. We don't know where I'm going with, you know. Must under somebody bed or something of the sort or whatever. And thing, original. But anyway, give me a call, the president. Well, I'm never give the people them the number, you know. If you're calling from America or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. Again, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. One more time, 888-546-8742. Should you be calling from the beautiful island of Jamaica, that number would be 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. And of course, again, if you're calling from the United States of America or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. I want to keep up the energy, you know. I work. A decades me I do this. I know this. I miss entertainment. Me I one of the greatest MC, one of the greatest hosts out there. Flexible, skill, full of vibes, full of energy. Bad no, hey, listen to me, don't make me cuss bad out for the people in both radio. In the meantime, to the phone line we go. And I'm going to Mixup or any other Mixup on have. Send on, don't hang on. Wagwan, call. Greetings.
Yaga.
Yeah.
Wagwan, Professor.
Yeah, me there, me there.
Who?
Yeah, me know who. Yeah, what you say?
But you know. The girl that we just call you, she have go call on me Monday or Wednesday. Cause you hear me say, she a done great for other girls because make me tell you something. It's a one man worthy.
Yeah.
A woman facing on the money. She does full of talk and thing. me cross with me say anything. I just bag a nice share make.
So when you say hot and spicy, I just bag a nice hot and spicy and make and thing and whatever. Because right now, you say we reach a time in our life when you're not have no problem with man and spend money per woman, right? You not no problem with that, right?
Me not no problem with
that. Okay, but all you say is that when a man work and him perform good, him forget things too, right? So I say, good people pipe, if you use PR term, good people pipe forget things, right? When people pipe perform good, them forget things, you know? Some money for spend on them, and that you say, don't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, what me I say again, Raga.
Yeah.
You see hot and spicy.
Yeah.
You see, to all, me listen, all she talk.
Yeah.
She does bag a night. She have to call in for me. But some of them are going like them have beach and them have sea.
What you say? Some of them are going like them have beach and them have sea?
Some of them going like them have beach and them have sea.
Some of them going like them have beach, but them have sea?
No. What? Some of them are going like them have beach and have sea. That means I in them cheap sale. You know I get to order.
No. Yeah, I'm glad you quote it up and thing. But all right, anyway, big up yourself, you know, because I want to keep up that energy and things. So I'm going to bounce in some other call and all these things. All right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
All right, big up yourself. You see it?
Listen, you know.
Yeah.
You know when more actor say, why? Oh man, why? This a proclaiming to where she say, why? Me no set man fi spend for woman, but listen, why a woman on outside God say give a man and a man work hard, a man have to buy house, car, do ears, do nails, and then just interest a woman. What make?
Right, that's right, good man. And we are debate that and thing, but we just want to keep up a mix up energy and thing and sitting and whatever. But that issue that me have put out that says a double standard. Me not have no problem with man and spend money per man for spend money per woman. When you have a good woman and she go and good, spend money per woman. But them have this thing like if a woman spend her money per a man, something wrong with her. Oh, that's not good. And her self-esteem down. And she had show the body part, nah, get no draw. And ray. Nothing wrong if a woman spend money per man. If the man go and good and thing and whatever. We big up them woman there, whatever. We are change the game. But let me take some other call. Here, sir. Big up yourself. Here.
Yeah.
All right. Prezi, send out a caller from up here now. Yeah. One time. I keep up your energy and nothing. Work me a work and thing. What is, you know, yeah, DJ Roy and Chef Garfield. Big thing I come. Yo, send on. Give me the call, Prezi. Greetings. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Greetings.
What up?
Oh, you sound good. You sound good. Star, let me tell you this.
Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
If you in a relationship,
yes,
the queen must treat her man like a king,
yes,
and vice versa.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
You put your monies together.
Yes.
You can't see myself take care of man because he might give me some of his thing. Me don't have to get the thing. Me can do myself. So it's not about that. It's about being together.
No, yeah, we understand that, you know, that's the deep part, but, you know, it's just like a fun, just a fun.
Me can't take my hard working money and give to man and make him get a car and him ride around with girl and things.
No, but hold on. Men have been doing that since Thine Kingdom come, so what's wrong with that? Hold on. Listen. Men have been buying women cars. Men have been buying women all kinds of stuff, material things. Men have been buying women houses. Men have been giving women gifts. When you're getting engaged, the man must buy the ring, give the woman and thing and whatever. Men have been doing all of this, and when men do it, they're celebrated as good men. Right? So I'm saying, what is wrong if a woman do the same thing for a man?
Nothing wrong, son. Nothing wrong. Boy, don't make it look like, oh, because she'll get something good for him, she have to give him money. Come in like him a whore or something.
No, man, you take the thing. Listen to me. You take the thing too deep. Listen to me, you take the thing too deep. It's a simple equation. All we're saying is that if man can buy things for good woman, woman can buy things for good man too. That's all we're saying. Why you complicate the thing for? And I talk about say, any man do it, you're going to make the woman look like say.
Go deep.
What?
Oh, so let's tell me go deep because we have to speak the truth.
No,
speak the truth,
I didn't know. You deny the thing. You try to complicate the thing because basically, listen to me. What you just say basically is that don't say that to a woman. That, you know, if a man a go and good and think she must spend money because you're going to make the woman look like she's a whore and all of that. We're not saying that. We're just saying that.
No, it's going to make him look like whore, not she. Make him look like whore.
Listen to me.
Because you earlier say if the man give the girl a good thing, she'll give her money or this. It looks like him.
Hold on. Let me ask you something.
What I'm saying?
Let me ask you something.
What is the thing no good?
Let me ask you.
The thing no good?
No. That is not the point. I am asking. Hold on. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever gotten some good Jamaican body?
Yo, baby, you hear me? Me got the right Jamaican.
No. Well, Miss, hold on. Hey, Miss Lady, stop. Hey, woman, lady. You now listen to me. I'm here on the show. You listening to me? You cannot get heated and listen to me. You cannot get heated and say those words on radio. You see that word the way you just
said? Not say nothing wrong.
Listen to me, no, man. No, you're not listening, you know. Just listen, no, man. You're going to listen, man. Okay. A while ago, you said the RASS word there, right? I don't know if you're familiar with Jamaican language enough, but you cannot say that Jamaican word on. Listen to me, no, man. Just listen. Just listen. Stop. Just listen for a second, right? Because you're beat up for sure, right? Listen to me. You cannot say that RASS word, right? Do you hear me just say?
Yes, sir.
We will get in trouble. In fact, you may make we get in trouble already because you're going to say it, all right?
Well understood, and pardon me,
all
no
right.
disrespect.
So you can't be right. All right, then. I just want you to from me. I just want you to understand what you do.
Pardon me. But see, right, me love you, you know.
Yeah.
Me love the way you have one, so, because you're a realist. You're a realist, but me like it, you know.
Okay. But nobody get eaten and say, ooh, I'm wedding wrong.
Yo, my bad. Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Keep up what you're doing.
All right.
Keep the people informed of what's going on in Jamaica and America, Canada, whatever.
Yeah,
Keep
man.
the people informed with the current events.
Yeah, man.
Do what you do. God bless you.
Blessings, man. Respect here. Yo, President should get eaten a while ago. She just deep up in Jamaica. Listen to me. If I laugh, I poop. Hey, she get eaten a while ago. You know, she just start deep up in the yard thing. I want to tell me about the rat. Yo, me can't bother. Listen, murder. Wait. You can't, hey, President, you can't say that she love people. You can't say that she love Jamaica and something, you know. Goody get eaten a while ago and start reloading something them. Oh, God. All right, next call. Hello. Hello. Carl, I want me to hear where you laugh so far. Oh, God. Yo. Carl, I was sweet to make you laugh so. Was it something I said or was it something somebody else said?
I want people, but me I hold it.
Yeah, you want people, but you hold it. No, I want them to nearly peep you up yourself, no? Yo, goods get heated a while ago, you know, goods just dip up in the summer there, man.
She said she have a... So she'll compare this time.
Yeah, cause I think good like that, Raga, what you feel like. I have a real class.
Exactly. You're out of the Raga, you don't have nothing about you.
Yeah, what you know about me, Raga? I wish I tight over here, so I want me to you.
Boy, Raga, on the day, we people they love you, know, boy, Raga, we special.
No, talk up a little louder, I can't hear you talk soft.
We special. Raga,
we Jamaican, special, though. I want me to you a long time, man. Long time.
Raga,
yeah.
They mix up on me, they mix up on me, I squeeze off.
Yeah,
I go for if you with spite.
Yeah.
Right, my cousin married to this girl, right?
Your cousin married to this girl, yeah. But talk up a little louder, make we hear,
Yeah, between me and you, don't
just between me and you, nobody else. Yeah, but you have to talk up louder, make we hear, you can't,
All right. Not tell for Zeno, not tell for this, let me say. All right. You want to see the neighbor now, when we know them a friend and thing.
Yeah.
Raga, because the girl, now they do a thing.
Your cousin and who?
The neighbor.
Him neighbor, the cousin and the neighbor, one girl next door, right? So your cousin is a man, right? Your cousin is a man, right?
Yes.
And him live with him woman?
Him
wife.
Yes.
And him a shell out to one girl next door. Here is a big question. I know say you know want nobody here where you talk over there on the phone. The wife talk to the girl who him a shell out, them talk?
Yes.
Jesus have mercy and thing. So well and the wife and the neighbor girl are friend?
Yes.
Papa Jesus.
Sometime. I babysit sometime, Raga. Babysit sometime and all these things.
I lie, the neighbor babysit too?
Yes.
Lord Jesus.
But that's not the bad part. Raga, she's so happy with your cousin.
She's so happy for your cousin? Your cousin breeder? Backside, you know. Lord, that name under my nose. So, the wife, make she come over and a babysit it. Listen to me. Then you see when she come over and a babysit for the wife and the cousin, at the same time she a babysit the cousin sippy cup. Well, you know, she said she had to the cousin nipple back clean her mouth.
I'm telling her the sweetest part. She said my cousin beat the people longer, firmer, and do the job better.
What you said? No man, to your whisper, we can't hear you good. What you said? Your cousin do what?
She said because the people longer, firmer, and plumb.
We're not hearing you. You muffle up your voice. I really hear the point.
She said the people pipe longer, firmer, and plumb better.
The people pipe longer, firmer, and plumb better.
Right.
Better than what?
Better than fear original somebody.
Oh, so the woman next door, she have a man too?
Yes.
So hold on, she know who breeder? Is her man breeder or your cousin breeder?
My cousin. But so, that's why when I feel her friend cuss her and say, oh, she stays so because she live with the man and they tell him, say, oh, my cousin pipe longer, firmer, and plumb better than the one we have because he said I want to drop off our enough time.
Oh, the one that drop off. So the man with the girl who live next door, fear man, feel tool not too wonderful and things. Sometimes as Puss would I say, you don't know if you don't know Puss some up here. Well, I know Puss. You have a brother up here named Puss, him drive taxi. You're not listening, you know. You have a brother up here named Puss. Him say him thing have a delay problem, you know. So it look like fear. So fear man thing have a look a delay problem too. And the cousin one longer, firmer, and plumb and do the plumbing better.
Amen.
So what I know. So you say, but she, the wife, the cousin wife who him live with, him bring she over there come babysit sometime and whatever this and that. And the wife now I talk up to her and no say she and the cousin are shell.
It out of one part.
Jesus God. So she gonna manage now when that the picnic the barn, you know. What gonna happen?
What you ask me say? I don't know, but me just wait and watch.
Lord Jesus. Then when she go have that the picnic, then no worries when she go beg the cousin wife to babysit sometime too. Sometimes you have to take bad things make laugh. And that name under my nose, you know.
I know that, but it start to make joke. What? Them a go grow up like brother.
Them a go, yeah. Who them a the wife know she pregnant and thing and I say, no worry, them a go grow up like siblings. Them a go grow up like brother and sister. And she don't know say true though. A brother and sister be true for you. No sir. Under me nose mix up, you see it right under the wife nose. Oh God. No, but you see, the cousin go lose this, so you know.
Because the same thing did happen to me too.
The same thing did happen to you too? For real? For real?
Yes.
Under your nose? Like where your man did burn you right under your nose with who?
Well, to somebody, Raga. I was working in a particular establishment that does service.
Yeah.
So this particular young lady, you know, she always nice and cheery. Man, you pretty girl.
Yeah.
Oh, good, sexy, you good. I'm saying, yeah, man, you know, friendly and all. That time, Raga, I never know the reason why she friendly. So guess what? She friendly to keep me up there. The next one, always a cut eye.
Always a what? A cut eye.
Yes, the second one, because she working at the kitchen department.
Working at kitchen department, okay.
Right.
No, man, you keep, let me tell you, you keep on, so you keep on attack. I mean, I tell you, say it's not good for radio, them not hear you good. Just talk how you did talk a while ago, so we hear you good, man. Yeah.
So me, I tell you, say, it has same thing up to me, pour me name, but I know, say, 2 extras was there.
Okay, so them 2 women there, your man, did I take them 2 women there?
Yes.
The one we are friend you, and the one we are enemy you out of for no reason. You might take it 2 of them and you never know, don't. Right under your nose, don't.
Right under there. And you wanna work in the kitchen and I share. Give me to you.
I share food gear to you. Well, give thanks, because she could have pies you kill if you take your body. You know, if it... Listen to me. She could have, you're lucky she never gave one elimination dumpling and thing and get rid of you, forget your body and thing. So give thanks here, you survived that one day. No, sir. Anyway, bless up yourself, you know. You think? And make sure say your bathroom clean. That's all I ask, all right? Big up yourself.
I will tell you in the next couple of months when we're
you still a talk that way, them I mash up my show, man.
Listen, me tell you when birth happen.
Yes, man. Make sure you call in and give me. Yes, man. Give me the drama when they pick the job, when they pick the forward and think. I want the hat. Big up yourself here.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Boy, no, the cousin there. Boy, the cousin. Boy, I mix up show, you know, so we laugh about the something them, you know. Bring in that. Right, but boy, I want the kind of rough on the wife they do, you know. Cousin boss already wicked, because when I pick the forward and thing, I want the wife I can manage and thing. And listen to me, people. A Ragashanti say, right? Yeah, me a compress. A Ragashanti say, ideally, in a perfect world, nobody would give bun, nobody would cheat. There would be no side man and no side woman. But again, as I've always said, let's not be naive. For a plethora of reasons, that not done anytime soon in a humanity. Some burning afiguan, some burning agoguan. So from the burning agoguan, Ragashanti say, burn with respect. Me don't want anybody come argue and say, don't say burn with respect. That is contradictory because burning by definition is disrespectful. Listen, we done past the part there. Burn with respect. And you know, so all the while, I have showed them go over the rules of burning with respect. Right? Don't bring the bunner man or the bunner woman go to the yard where you live. Make them know, say, you have the 9 o'clock cut off there. Set up your code thing that when them call and whatever, them and them know so them for come off of the phone and pressure the thing. Right? And don't go take nobody where I go in a position where it the right smack in your partner face, in your wife or husband face. You understand what I'm saying? I know the best way to hide something, the most efficient and effective way to hide something is to have it right out in the open. Women know this way more than men do. Women are masters at it. But living a life, when I grow and people, I'm not telling no one to do. But all I'm saying is, if you have to do that something that burning and whatever, burn with respect, man. Balance on the thing. Boy, the cousin boy I gonna make his wife. You can't take one woman and thing and have your wife a talk up to the woman and have your wife and make the woman a babysit your picnic and thing. That the time the woman who a babysit your picnic, they a drink out of the husband sippy cup and all these things and whatever. Have up him nipple back in her mouth and just a suck it off so and a drink him porridge. And think, no man, that's not right. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Give me a call from up here, Prezi. From up here. The New York people never cuss me. Give me a call from up here. Hello. 888-546-8742. Hello.
I can't see the show, Raga. I can't find you.
You can't what?
This is Michelle Woodson. I can't find you on the feed on my line. I can't find you. I'm trying to find your show.
Where are you now? Where are you located?
I'm in Jersey.
You're in Jersey. So you can't, which part of Jersey? North Jersey, Patterson, somewhere around there, sir?
Newark.
President can't pick up 93.5 on Newark? You can't pick up 93.5 on your radio? What you usually listen upon? No, you know, I'm not supposed to deal with these.
My phone on my TV.
Your phone on your TV?
My phone on my TV. I comment on my phone, but I watch you on my TV.
All right.
I normally get the
all right, listen now. Go to the
stuff. I don't know what's
all right,
going on.
Hold on. On your TV.
Me out.
No, hold on. Go to Facebook. The YouTube thing now works. So go to Facebook and go to IrieJam Radio on Facebook. I saw Prezi. Go to IrieJam Radio on Facebook and you can get it. You hear?
All right, Papa.
All right. Or go to the website and go to thebridge99fm.com. Thebridge99fm.com. All right. So either go to IrieJam Radio on Facebook or thebridge99fm.com.
Thebridge99fm.com. All right, Papa. Thank you.
But you know, easy, so you can't get me like you go crazy and you go.
Of course, Mr. Postcar, what are you?
Yes,
yeah,
don't think
I am a company, you know.
That's right, a ragga, you say straight.
I am a company.
All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, and you don't know, so everything is available on Ragashanti TV on YouTube too. You know that, right?
Yes, I know that. That's why it hurt up my head a while ago. I have to lay down and relax and watch my TV and comment from my phone.
Right.
So the 9 yard is Ragashanti. Me have you alone everywhere in the house. So
everywhere in your house, Raga there.
Yeah.
Well, any man come at your yard, him have to work with that because of Raga you say. Don't
of course, I'm already know about Raga.
See that, bro.
Him already know about Raga.
All right,
because the man king and him on the job.
Mad. Large up in general and thing.
All right,
no, man, I just want a big respect for the support and thing. All right, blessings and respect. See? Love and blessings. All right, so again, it's thebridge99fm.com, thebridge99fm.com. Or on Facebook, you just go to IrieJam Radio, and it's right there, okay?
Yeah, Papa, thanks.
Yeah, man, protection, man, blessings and thing. All right, you got a little bit of housekeeping right there. That's part of the game, man. Here we go. Well, Prezi says we have to take a quick break. People are going to take a little break, and we'll be right back, and we're going to keep up the energy. Why-yoy!
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Check. Back in the juggling. Ragashanti live in your ears and things. Send on Prezi right away. Give me the call. One time. Hello. Greetings. Under my nose mix up with a pan. Under my nose mix up. I ain't had a mix up one half calling and I couldn't know what going. Hello. Hello.
Raga,
yeah.
I hear myself on the radio, but you not hear me.
Don't listen to the radio, do it once you call me. I hear you now.
Listen up, me I hear you, me I eat up, me I...
No. All right, no, we hear you now. All right, so what you say now?
Hear what, man? I mean, done the girl at and spicy, but we not come down her tonight again.
You not done her tonight. She say you're not. She say you're not reverse. She say you're not reverse. She say you're not. She say you're not. What she say? You're not a reverse. You're not a brakes. You're not.
Everything what she has said. Yeah, hear everything. Look here, I'm telling you something. We can't bother with the tit for tat.
Yeah, man. That cool, man. What you say? Yeah. So what you say different?
Yeah, but we just call for make her know some. I love her still, same way. I don't know nothing still. Everything is everything.
No, man. She understand the thing. You understand the thing. So you don't know it's a fun clash. A fun clash.
Thank you.
Fun
clash.
Yeah.
Me can't bother clash with her again tonight. Yeah, you understand? Yes, Jaja.
But
the woman we call after her, the woman we call little after that. Not the one who costs the bad one, you know. One other one again where we are taking it to another level. It come in like as if to say them don't know say a fun and trailer.
What you mean I take what to another level? Me don't know yet.
No man, you see the woman all cost all bad one and all them something, they look man get all heated.
Oh yeah. She get heated about it and thing and whatever. Me not she listen to the show, you know, but perhaps we'll leave her. Yeah, she did make her point, you know.
Yeah. But she get too hot. She get too hot though. She get too hot. The color, you understand me?
Yeah.
Want to Mr. Never wrong. I want to hear what him have to say.
No man, him have calling.
When woman get good sort out, woman to spend money. And me still I say that I'm no business where your friend at us spice.
Well, real quickly.
Look at her.
Well, before you go, just make a point. Well, right. So make a point and just make a point solid. So when man get woman good sort out, when woman get good, when man get woman good sort out, they have to spend money upon the man. Yeah, explain.
Woman to send on good, you understand me? I say clothes, money, and anything, shoes, everything, car, every day.
What you say, clothes, money, shoes, house?
everything. When we start with grocery. Roll on. Jewelry. Real work. When I get good start out.
What you say? Roll on if you send on to them.
Roll on and cologne and all these things.
And all these things.
You understand me? I say?
Yeah. So what else woman for spend per man when time them get good start out? What else them for do for man?
Grocery too.
Yeah.
Clocks man for wear upon them foot because you don't know our thing from back in the day.
Yeah.
The clocks for wear upon our foot from back in the day.
Yeah, some desert and some bank robber clocks and some wallaby and all them thing there. Yeah.
Wallaby and cougar paw, although cougar paw and them out in that.
Yeah, them not really wear them clocks. I just desert them wear right now still.
Desert, thank you.
Yeah, so you say them thing there. And then for buy grocery. Then for buy some saltfish and some things.
Touch all in a jewelry store and take out all some decent jewelry for it.
Yeah, and that the woman them for do down. And carry man them go some nice dinner and all these things down.
And me if you tell you bad man, and me if you tell you bad man, and me if you tell you. You understand me? Carry out and show we off and all these things.
Yeah, and get some bad candlelight dinner, some big restaurant and all, and just all get deep over the dinner and say last night, when I felt your strength, I said, no, if you deserve a dinner today, you deserve a quality high-class dinner today. But just what?
I call it quality juice. But look here.
Yeah.
I call it quality juice because I them see when I get back the quality
when I get back the juice.
I get it back.
So, well, in your opinion, though, when man and woman work, who do the most work?
Man do the most
work. A man do the most work?
Stabbing and the jabbing. And we are do, me no want Cardell Green there for your case.
No.
But we are do the stabbing and the jamming and the ramming and the pushing and the shoving and the whining.
What you say? What you say? The man them do the stabbing and the jamming and the pushing and the whining and the shooing and the shoving and the pushing and the ramming. Yeah, man, a whole heap of work we are putting down. I think whatever we are do the most work. Yeah.
Me know what it is for all year, all my body. I go quash against all woman body. And I do things.
Yeah, and more time when we all take shoe off and I lift them up and our foot get tired, we have to hold it down. We have to hold it. And they don't appreciate this effort we are putting in. And this massive exertion and burning of calorie and exertion of energy. The amount of work we put in and thing. Oh my God. Yeah.
Sweat drop off and we like crazy. Drop off and we like crazy.
And sometimes we under pressure, we end up take all kind of pill and this and that for perform good. And I drink up with lead now, man, if you spend some money for with you, man.
But is them getting back the juice, Is all of the juice that them give us, the food that them put them and give us, is them getting it back.
And them get it back and take, so them give and get back too. Yeah.
Cause
Yes,
we are
man.
empty out in them, you know. We are empty out back in them bars.
Then go and cuss out your class tonight, you see.
No, but make them cuss me. I'm not call and cuss out at our spice. I'm not cuss out at spice. At spice tonight was Wednesday night, but tonight I'm here at talk as two.
Cool,
as
man.
two elder man.
Two elder in the thing. A long time we are juggling with the thing and whatever. And we are going all these years and now get no appreciation and thing. And right now we are speak out. We are talk up it thing.
About things we can't work. Look here. She don't know what she talking about.
No, she say your pee-pee pipe no have no use. Your pee-pee pipe don't have no use. That's she say.
Look here, me PTR still. So me not even listen. Me not look at her.
Okay.
Me I say, yeah.
All
Me
right.
not look at her.
Me bumps to other call here. Me bumps to other call.
And we laugh. And we get a good little laugh how she
It goes some man. That's how the energy set, man. All right.
Yeah, man. Me love your program, bad man.
It goes some man. Cool, me general. Protection and strength. Tears, guidance. Yeah, President, give me a next caller. Keep up the energy. I work.
I'll talk to you again. That's
Hello?
why nobody in the car.
Hello?
Me hang up for me. Me done with you. Me hang up. Me done.
Oh.
Hang up the phone. Come off my line.
Who you talk to? Me?
Line, man.
Me you talk to?
Me talk to the other brother. Me talk to the other brother of one like he can't stand a challenge. Me a challenge. Me a big woman, you know.
Right.
Me a challenge him. He can't take it. Me a challenge.
No, but him just did I say you need to appreciate the thing and whatever, and if you get some good pee-pee pipe and thing.
I must.
Spend some money.
I must appreciate it. I must.
Yeah, so why you don't want to spend some money?
You must appreciate it.
Listen,
You may not pay for it.
Listen, all I'm saying is there is nothing wrong if you spend some body money. Spend some body money.
No, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
You spend on each other.
Right.
But me misunderstanding because you're coming. You were saying like, oh, once the girl gets it good, she must give up the money. What do you mean?
No. But listen, well, you get eaten, but we're not disagreeing. You know, we're on the same page. You know, that's all we're saying. Man must spend money per woman. But what you have a whole heap of woman and say, no, them not to spend no money per man at all. That's all we're saying. That they are wrong.
No, but that's not good. That's not good. Women must spend money on man too.
Exactly.
You understand? It go both ways.
All right, hold on. What I want you to do, because I don't want people going cuss and say you get in 2 times and them can't get in. But listen, what I want you to do before Hold on. What I want you to do is to just talk to the women who say, a lot of Jamaican women believe, is only man must spend money per woman and woman must spend money per man. So I want you to talk to those women right now and to just implore them to understand that when they have a good man, they must spend money per man. Talk to them right now. Talk up things to them.
Okay, all right. Let me tell you something, my sisters out there. Let me tell you something. If you have a man, trust me, you can't just expect the man to spend money upon you. You must spend money upon him because he's a king and you're a queen. And you must take care of your man because your man, if you take care of your man, him not go run around, you know, because he know when he got home. Yeah. But you must serve him breakfast. You must bathe him sometimes.
Bathe him.
Treat him like a baby sometimes.
Bathe him.
Love him. If you love him, he's gonna run home. He's gonna run home and bring home the paycheck. And see you, when you got the money, you're gonna go to the shoe store and say, hey, them shoes $200. Let me buy it for my man.
That's right.
See it. But you must respect one another as king and queen.
Yes.
You understand?
So I'm glad what you're telling me now.
A long way with that.
Hold on, you see what I want to hear what you said. Ladies, when you have a good man and the man deal with the thing good and everything, beard him. Right? Beard the man. You must beard the man. Beard him. What else them for do? What else them for do?
Yeah. After you bathe him, listen, after you bathe him and dry him off, you put the deodorant on him and put the baby oil upon him body, and you comb him. You comb his hair. You clean up in his ear and make sure the toes them clean. Clip them toenails, clip them fingernails, massage his back. Feed him some food, and then at night you give him some good dessert.
Well,
and he'll sleep like a baby.
And spend some money upon him too.
Of course.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Because he's worth it.
Yeah.
And the king, you must take care of your king in order for him to take care of you. too.
That's right. Well on. So you do that with your Jamaican man who you there with? You do that?
What do you mean? The month.
Okay.
This man work 18-hour days. 18-hour days.
Yeah.
When him come home, he have his slippers by the door. When him come in.
When him come home, what? When him come home, what?
The door.
When him come home, what? When you say when him come home, what?
When he stick the key in the door, be there with him his slippers.
Give him slippers.
To put
Nice.
on him feet.
Yeah, yes.
And take him in the bathroom. First email, wash off them stinking feet because him work hard.
Well,
wash off the stinking feet and give me a shower him in bed and wash him back and everything.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes.
Everything. He don't have to ask me for nothing. And make sure me have 2 6-pack of Guinness, 2 6-pack of Heineken, and make sure his big boy there in the ashtray. You don't know it.
What is it? 2 6-pack of Guinness, 2.
Blah. Fire.
Yeah, bust a shot. Bust a shot for your man.
Me have to come off the phone to my
No, well on, man. Bust 2 shots for your good man.
What you mean, shot fired? What you mean?
Oh, you mean? Well on, before you go, one last thing, and before you go to, you have no shame in your game for bite him up to and make him enjoy himself, don't you?
Yo, this is why him love me so, because me for real, and me believe in God. You understand?
So you bite him up and make him feel nice.
Me not pull no punches.
Okay.
And me not a jealous type of woman or nothing. And him come home to me. He not cheat upon me because he know what me I give him. Nobody not give him like me, you know.
Okay.
Nobody.
Oh, so you put it on good. No woman can give me good.
Guaranteed.
No woman can give him better.
I guarantee you him not cheat. I guarantee you him not cheat.
Well on. Somebody named Melissa Peart on Facebook, she just post and say she can whine with your man any day. Melissa Peart says she
Tell
can.
her if you give her $1,000, if you show him what that mouth do. Because my mouth, guess what? Me don't have no like teeth.
No, you can't say that one. Press the cut her ass, she get eaten again. Lord Jesus. Yo, President, when she get eaten, I don't know the number. President tell her, I say, Melissa Pierce says she can't whine where your man is. Make her come, make her run. Yo, I'm dying. Yo, we can't bother. Murder. No, sir, make life sweet, so. No, sir. No. Prezi, just talk to her. Prezi, she said, Mexico, 1,000. I want to have a girl be like that to run. I'm dying. Yo. Oh, God. Yo, people, do remember, you know, so me have a YouTube channel over there, so the thing there. All of the Mixup Entertainment over there. The channel name Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV. If you have not subscribed to that channel, it's free. Sometimes when you hear subscription, I don't think a money thing. No, per YouTube are free. Just go to that channel right now per YouTube and subscribe to Ragashanti TV. Go over YouTube, put in Ragashanti TV, subscribe to the channel for the best in Mixup Entertainment. Hundreds of hours of Mixup Entertainment upon that channel. When you click subscribe, also click a bell. You got one bell over there, click a bell for notification. Go there right now and do that, all right? Go there right now and do that, all right? Make sure so you subscribe to that channel, right? All of my shows them over there and I'm putting them, every day I put up more and more shows from the Jamaica years of the shell-down mix-up entertainment, Ragashanti live over the years of Jamaica and all them things there. Big up all TamFamers who don't know the thing set and whatever, right? What the channel name? Ragashanti TV. Which part? Over YouTube. And do remember, say, every Thursday, and that, well, next week Thursday, I'm not go dead, because I have to go do something. But on Thursdays at 1 p.m., we have a thing named Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti. Every Thursday, 1 p.m., except this Thursday, we have come up, I have to skip that one, 1 p.m. on Ragashanti TV. In the meantime, President, send out the next send out the next caller. Hello.
Good night.
Yeah, Robert, what happened?
What go on, the boss?
Yeah, man, talk up loud with some energy. What you said tonight?
Boy, the show, they turn up tonight. That woman there, boy, she not normal.
She not normal. Yeah.
She turn down the show, she turn up the show, she turn it up.
That's right.
The woman said she come with 2 pack of Guinness and then thing there.
Yeah.
What a piece of mix-up that night. I'm good with the easy, boy.
All right.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good. So you just can't forgive a quick heal, don't it?
We are there easy. We there go on something that I go on this issue alone and be alone the home still.
All right, then are you alone the woman thing? So we are going juggle and thing, respect for the heel and thing, all right?
Hold on, the Ragga, you can't we go leave, we give you a number, you leave the number.
No, we can't deal with your number thing tonight, because I juggle the show and I keep the energy up here, so we can't deal with your special thing for put out number for you get woman tonight.
My number, me I left and just move.
No, me say we can't deal with that tonight. The argument done. Don't argue any further. Not tonight. Understand? Yeah, understand?
I deal with some man. Me have to try to look.
Yeah, well, on Robert, stop. Me say what me say. This is not the night for you calling, for give out number. Listen, forget, woman. Argument done. All right? And next night we will do it. Not tonight, Robert. You see me busy, I run the show a jiggy. You're calling for your personal needs, for me put out number, for you get woman. You're not thinking about my thing, Robert. You're thinking about yourself. All right?
No, me never said that.
No, you never said that. Me, I tell you that you do. All right? All right. Big up yourself. And stop going like you're porting and baby and thing. All right. Next call, Prissy. You want Robert now easy, you know. Prissy, I want to Robert. Next call. Give me that call, Prissy. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, good night. We not hear you good, you know, your phone a break up. Which part you there? Your phone a break up. Hello? Next call, Prezi. Your phone up. We not hear what going on. Have thing. Give me that one there. Give me that one there, Prezi. Give me that one there, right? So, yeah, hello? Greetings. Yes, greetings, yeah.
How you doing? Good evening.
Yeah, no, move away from them. We don't need to hear the radio in the background here, please.
Raga?
Yes.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How is Mr. Never Wrong?
Yeah, man, Mr. Never Wrong.
Mr. Never Wrong, where you say, yeah?
Yeah, that man there, a nasty man.
Which one?
The one with his son, a nasty man that.
Oh, the man where
you would want to live with his daughter.
Yeah.
Nasty man that.
I take him son, woman, though.
Yeah, nasty man that.
Done him.
Not support that.
Done him, Mr. Never Wrong. Done him out. Burn him out.
Yeah, him a nasty nigga.
Yeah. I take him son, woman. Dirty man.
Nasty. Dirty nasty man that.
Dirty.
Them
all Cruff and thing. That man that couldn't even, come to your house for a drink. You wouldn't even welcome him to your house for a drink. No.
He can't drink, none to me can't drink.
Nothing.
He can't sit down in the car. If me have a car, can't sit down in the night.
Can't sit down in your car, whatever. Any man that take him son.
No, my treat.
Any man that take him son, woman and thing. You burn that, Mr. Never.
Nasty man.
Dirty man.
I want to go live with his daughter.
Dirty man.
Nasty man that.
So, what you say about the brother now who did done Hot and Spicy? Hot and Spicy say you the defender. What you say about
him a Cruff.
The man who said Hot and Spicy underprivileged
girl. Him a Cruff.
Why him a Cruff?
Hot and Spicy do the right thing. Shut you up. You don't know.
No.
You don't need no fair thing. There's no.
No, but what the man has said is that hot and spicy mean when she get good loving from man, she don't even want to spend some money upon the man.
You don't want to know. You don't want to. You when they get to be poor. She, when they get to be poor, so you don't want to know more. So
no.
he set you up.
No, but what he's saying is that hot and spicy mean because when she gets some good fire tick from the man, them she don't even want to spend her money upon the man. The man them give her a good fire.
No, he spend enough.
She, Mr. Never wrong. She.
Yeah, you know me talk. He spend enough.
Yeah.
She.
Yeah.
He will spend.
No, but when you keep on and say she spend enough and she tell us that she not spend nothing at all. You know make no sense.
You don't go say that. You don't go say that.
She. Mr. Never wrong. She.
Raga.
Yeah.
Behind back.
Yeah.
Behind clothes are two different something.
Oh, so what you say, hot and spicy really has spend money on some good body behind back?
Yes, she would do it.
Oh, she, Mr. Never wrong. She would do it.
She would do it.
Yeah.
She would do it.
Okay.
She would do it.
Oh, so she spend body money, but she just not admit. Hold on. So she spend body money, but she just not admit it.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Okay. And if a woman loves you,
yeah.
If a woman
She, we give
she.
Yeah,
you know me talk, Cracker.
She, yeah.
She.
Yeah, she.
If she love you,
yeah,
he will give anything.
She will give anything. She will give anything.
She will give anything. Once he respect you,
yeah,
you can give anything.
Yes,
you don't have to ask.
Yeah, okay.
You don't have to ask, Cracker.
You don't have to ask and thing or whatever. Okay.
No. You don't have to ask.
And that is why you say hot and spicy really, anytime she gets some good loving, she spend body money behind the scene, but she come on radio and I say she don't do it.
But she not come tell you.
No, she not come tell you.
She, Raga, this one me talk now.
She not come tell you.
Right? He will do it. But if the woman love you, I care for you, he will give you
she will do it.
You don't have to ask.
She will do it.
Of course. That's how woman, that's how the right woman is, not them that them a woman I know.
Them a woman I know. What you say? Them a woman I know. What about them? What about them nowadays, woman?
Them vanity they want. Vanity can give them. They gonna leave you.
Okay. Them okay.
They gonna leave you, Raga.
They gonna leave you after you mind them, don't.
Because let me tell you something. You're some woman.
Yeah.
When not going to you in Galilee, but when something stop of you see them come on like a dog or puss.
Like a dog or puss, them a run enka when something not going
on. They come round back to come friend you.
And then when nothing not going on with them do, when nothing not going on for you, with them do?
When nothing not going on for you, then God left you.
Yeah.
Then God left you.
Yeah.
And if they see you not drive one Chris car, I want nice show, then they don't want you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Never Wrong. I forgot to take a break. The 3-minute break I come up now. We are and things.
All right.
Anything you want to say final? You want to say one last thing? Yeah?
Mister, you can't sit down round Croft.
Can't sit down round Croft.
Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
No, you can't sit down. You can't be round Croft.
All right then.
If you be round Croft, you will end up like them too.
Okay, Mr. Never Wrong. Well said. Well stated, my brother. All right? Yeah. Blessings. Yeah. Okay. All right. People, in case you don't know, from Friday night, Mr. Never Wrong, I have to call in and take piece of the thing, right? I saw the thing said when Mr. Never Wrong. People just want to remind you, we're going to take a little break right now, and at the top of the hour on a Friday night, we always take a 3-minute break for the 93.5 team to do their thing. So I'll be back in about 3 minutes. But, go over Ragashanti TV now on YouTube during the 3-minute break and subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Subscribe to the channel and also click the bell. And check out the channel and all the mix-up content over there for your entertainment. Worse, if you have them look a job the way you can go and listen to the radio and think I make a time run off good. And think, big up my living people and all them people. I'm a truck driver them and all them people who not stop listening to things. Bless up on the people. I'll take a break. We're soon forward. Mad!
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Welcome back up in I think. Prezi, the woman we eat it and thing. Me see them on the Facebook, the IrieJam on Facebook, page them call her Gummy. She did say that she don't have no teeth, said she don't have no teeth and something. You know what, so I never hear that part there. Oh, that miss me. So them start them a call her Gummy. Wait, what on them? Let me see. What she did say? Well, I'm bringing the caller in the meantime. Yo, somebody pan the IrieJam page on the post where she did say, why not call her Gummy? Post what she said about her teeth, but she don't have no teeth and whatever. Oh, God, me miss that, man, because I don't know that. Hey, you know what's up for me? You know what's up? You don't know when we would have gone with that, you know. Eh? Yeah, somebody write this. Your mother Hamilton, you see that on Facebook. You're slow, that's why, right? You see what she post say you're slow. Your mother Hamilton, where you post about me slow. Hey, don't make me tell you which part are you slow, here. Don't make me tell you which part are you slow. Boy, you're slow. You're going like something can't miss something. I work me there, I work hard. You're ungrateful, fly-by-night piece of something to you. I want me to you, Miss Lady. I bet you say you favor them old bad pan there. How you come and talk about slow? What you know about me, your mother Hamilton? How you know about me, your mother Hamilton? Me slow when me for slow. When me I work, me slow because me no rush things. You understand? But when me there, you do something. I want to that woman, man. I bet you say she favor when dumplings spoil. I bet you say she favor when toilet paper wet up and two up on wall. Hey, Miss Lady, don't start with me, you know. You know how we are dealing with that name Ragashanti, you know. Me a bill and cool right here now, you know, but me still have it. Me still have it. You still have it. Okay. So don't pass your place. Because you could have done there bright and favor Spanish Town car accident. Now look at you. If you ever went cemetery pop, if you ever went grey pop down over me up, don't play with me, Miss Lady. Don't play with me. Oh. You know, so she has style, my present. You know, when you need flour for make dumpling and it's spoiled and you have to turn it out in a fritters, I probably so she look. But anyway, give me a call. Hello.
Good night, Dr. Ragashanti.
What one?
Man.
Yeah. So, you're the speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece?
No. Just a little bag of phone me I talk to you from.
Oh, true, you're echo enough, you know. But yes, so what you say, I know. And that was mix up.
No, me add to my piece.
Yeah.
Today, it's something where you didn't start from in what it was. Wednesday night, you did somebody say, woman say, to give them man things and stuff like that?
Yes, man. So that if the man them are going good and whatever, woman for spend money per man for spend money per good woman, and particularly when someone's a proper and all these things, and woman for spend money per man. And even if them just a juggle with a man, and them not do the right out with him, but the man are going good in the performance area, them for spend money per him, right? Good pee-pee, what time spicy call it, pee-pee pipe? Good pee-pee pipe forget things.
Good what?
Pee-pee pipe, that at spicy call it.
Anyway, me I say, if me have my nice good up husband.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
We are in our relationship and things are go right and what have you and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Me have treat my husband nice just as how he treat me.
Well, hold on. That goes without saying. What I'm saying, though, let us say you're single, right? What is accepted in society is if two people single and they meet and them a date, everybody accept it, say, the man must spend on her, if him a quote her, if him like her, if them start do the something, them and go on good, he must spend on her and take care of her. Not only we say that men must do it, we celebrate the men who do it. We say a good man that, see him take care of Clara, see him make Clara look good and thing and whatever. We big up the man them who do them something them and thing. I want good man today with, him look out for her and spend on her and take care of her and all these things. But as soon as a woman do that, I want to her, and her must condemn. She must have self-esteem problem. I wish she mind man for and all them something there. So all I'm saying, them need to stop them something there. What you say about that? If you single and you just start date a man, and you probably don't even want a deep relationship, but the man put it on you good, and make you speak in a tongue, and thing, and make your eye them roll over and the black them disappear in your eye and all these things. You want to spend a money upon a man there and say, cause him a go on good.
Oh yes, then if you must spend money on him, you have to spend it on him.
No, you see, we always do that. Why would I always do that when we are asking if I say, well, if he must spend money upon me, me will spend money upon it.
No, listen to me now, Dr. Ragashanti. Here what me have to know, Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
Listen to what me have to say. Remember, you know, if you're in a relationship with a man, all right, listen to that little point here. Me know what you just
no, real quick, you know, remember, say, we don't want to get too much in deep in the explanation because of Friday night, a mix-up thing, an energy thing. So,
from a woman, from the day with the man, right?
Yeah.
You meet the man and the day with the man and stuff like that. And yeah, it's one who do start out and what have you and stuff like that. Yeah. I not just because you start you out and stuff like that, we just
No, darling, that goes without question. I'm just asking you about that specific thing. When you keep on a try, go. All I'm saying is, but you not answer the question directly. I am saying, if you are dating, you're single and you date a man, right? And the man are going good and he perform good and whatever. Would you just take up your money and spend on him because he might put it upon you good and you like him company and he make you laugh and he is a pleasant person and whatever and him not spend the money upon you, you know. But you say, me like him, he might put it upon me good, he make me laugh and think he's a good man, him respectful, me gonna spend money upon him. Would you do something like that? Stop talking about it all depends. What you mean it all depends? But just tell you, yes or no. Yes or no. Would you do? No. Me ask you a direct question. Answer me yes or no.
But Mr. Ragashanti, you say for somebody who is kind to me, never spend my money.
You still a key, man. I say if the man kind to you, me not ask about that. Yes. That is a separate matter. No, but miss, hold on, man. What you say? Wait. No, but what I'm saying, hold on, answer me question now. Don't man do that to woman all the while?
Do what?
I start date a woman and just start spend on her. What? What you say what?
Me not love that.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, because
No, hold on. Don't when man a date woman, him carry her go some nice place, he may buy her flowers, buy her some nice gift and whatever for impress her all. When him just a get in, him still spend on her. You don't know, so that is a common thing out there?
Well, yes, that's happening. Yes, but what I'm saying is that
No, we are spending too much. No, a Friday night, cause you not answer me straight. Yeah, go on and come on. You don't even not answer the question straight. So let me take some other call because you don't even not work with me and even hold your point. You say that depends. And if him spend for me and if him kind to me, you not answer me straight because you know why? You don't want to answer me straight. It's that simple.
I don't want to answer you. I tell you.
No. We get too much in a... No. This is becoming like a intellectual discussion and it's not a Friday night thing.
Because my mother do with me, I go spend my money on him. Just because my day with me.
All right.
He have to go out do something for me too. But me know that I'm interested in that. You know, just my body is interested in
all right.
So I'm interested in me in another way. You see my needs and...
No, all right. You take it deeper than the upfront question. All right, bless up yourself here. Prezi, give me a next call. Prezi,
yes.
Well on, Prezi.
Exactly. Look, she mad because nobody
No, darling, Gummy, don't vex, you know, because a whole heap of people, them can't get in, but I don't know how she are getting so much. Them are cuss me say them can't get in and you are getting the third time now. All right, Gummy, so don't vex. Here, me not
cuss. Me just want to tell the girl that called me Gummy.
Yeah.
All right, the girl that called me Gummy, this is Gummy. Hello, this is Gummy.
Yeah. You want the name then, right?
Listen, tell the girl that called me Gummy, she mad because her man rather have Gummy than the vampire teeth.
All right. Okay. No, man, I want to put them call you Gummy because you did say you don't have no teeth and something, but me never did hear what you said.
My listen. My man love the gummy because he don't want to feel the teeth business, you know.
Okay.
And she mad because nigga take her man and gum him down.
Okay.
You know, hear it? Now gum him down. Tell her put that on Facebook and move and go away.
Move and go away. Tell her to move and go away.
Hey. Move and go away.
Hey, woman.
Me take her man and gum him down and send him home happy.
Okay, so what you saying not like when the teeth?
Move and go away.
No, so what I'm Gummy, well I know. Gummy, wait no man. Gummy, so when you work and I do the things and with your man, them you take out your false teeth and just use your gum, dog.
That's right, call me Gummy, because me a pretty Gummy, you know. Me a pretty Gummy.
That's why you're pretty Gummy.
Any man listen to me.
Yeah.
Them love to have the Gummy in the teeth them.
Gummy.
Trust me.
Gummy
them
to the
love to have Gummy, you know.
Gummy, big up yourself. Don't cost the bad word, though. Gummy.
My Gummy are pretty, you know.
Yeah, you're pretty Gummy.
Soft, you know, see it.
Yeah, man, she named Melissa Peart. And she a talk about she can't take away your man from you. And wine where your man from you. Don't cost the bad word.
Nobody can take me from my man because he know what that mouth do.
Him know what your mouth do.
That my man know what that mouth do. He right here. Me sit down on it right now. What do you mean?
Oh, you mean? Talk up,
Gummy. My man don't go nowhere because Gummy in the house. Gummy is in the building.
Gummy in the building.
Gummy is in the building.
Gummy in the building.
So you try to drop on Facebook.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Anytime.
Any place. Me a come her too.
Well, I call her. Well, I. She named
Move and go away.
Move and go away. She named Melissa Peart. Talk to her. Don't cuss the bad word. Talk to her. She named Melissa Peart.
My name what my mouth do.
What you say, what? How that go?
And my name is Trini. My name is Trini Sharrock. Me in the Bronx. My name is Trini Sharrock. Tell her to meet me part 183rd in the Grand Concourse. She want to see what Trini do?
She want to see what a Gummy your name and a Gummy we are work with here. And your new name, that Gummy in the building. Yo, before you leave, just big up yourself and make them know say your Mout are the champion
you
Mout.
You see what Gummy do? Tell her to bring her man. Tell her to bring her man and take her man right from the street. And they'll put them in my truck. And show him what the gum do. And he now gets out, you know. He'll tell her, move and go away. Me don't want you again, girl.
Move and go away, girl. Move and go away, girl. Move and go away, girl. Move and go away. Okay. All right, Gummy, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, Gummy. Right.
Every week we are coming. Me a set the station on fire. Every week.
Okay.
Gummy are coming. You know, see it.
Gummy, prend them case because you have the good mouth, no? You have the good mouth. All right, let's go, President. Hold on, President. Make her take a break. Lord of mercy. No, sir. No, we need a spiritual break right here. Into my eyes. Into my eyes. Come into my heart, Lord Jesus. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. God Almighty power is moving every hour. No long. Next tune. And a real. Christ so real to me. Hey. Next tune. Cyrene, a man of Cyrene. Cyrene, a man of Cyrene. My Jesus carried the cross 82 miles from Pilate St. Calvary. Amen, people, amen. Hallelujah. No, sir. I'm at the show up on fire, so tonight, Bridge 99 FM, mad again. The thing sick in that place. Say, yo, President, Gummy take his shoe already. Gummy says she have the good mouth. How am I chat about? Gummy, you have the good mouth. How am I chat about? Can you say your man I like where you work and the teeth dead and thing? Straight gum. I use a mash mouth swipe. Gummy go see when y'all work and thing and you do the thing and and when you're done and you ask him if it's a sort out. I saw your voice on. Yo, babe, you like it? Babe, that body, you like that girl? You like that, babe? Babe, you like that? Big up your mash mouth here, Gummy. How you sell what the thing right now? I can't bother, you know. Energy. Here we go to the phone line. Big up yourself now. Hello.
Hey, it's my laugh for collapse, senior. Yo, what laughing with the phone?
Yo.
Yeah, I'm there I tell you, I don't know, oh, you missed the first time when you say it, you know.
Me miss it, what you say, she know
nothing. I too short so fast, you know. And you go tell her, I say, Melissa can't take the man and go, me say, take what? And my mouth now have no teeth. You
Me never hear.
So me say, me pay her $1,000 if she try that. And that she say,
no.
Me pay her $1,000 if she try that.
And when me look over the IrieJam page on Facebook, me see the whole of her call her Gummy. So me I say, how she get that name there? I want me scroll back, me say, and say, she say, she not have no teeth and something. Now me I say, they know me never hear that.
My mouth not have no teeth. My mouth never fail me yet. Me pay a girl $1,000 she take that.
Well, I that you say her mouth never feel her yet. No, Gummy body.
Never feel her yet, because she don't have no teeth.
Yo, the thing mad.
Yeah.
No, sir. Gummy, take it right here now.
I don't know that woman there girl. That woman there girl and come round before Gummy while I go still, you know. I don't know what she girl and come round for, you know.
No,
and I go on and I tighten up the thing and say,
all right, you see.
Listen to me,
she want to get in a long
Listen
discussion or whatever instead of, because she don't want to answer the question directly. You understand? What you think about that?
Listen to me, lady.
Yeah.
Listen to me, lady.
Yeah.
All when the man pocket dry.
Yeah.
And from him send on good money for run.
Turn it up! Whoa. Tell him again.
What you say?
All when the man pocket dry, tell him again.
Put on nice clothes,
yes.
And powder down.
Yes.
What you feel like?
Yes.
And brush all ear. What you feel like? What?
No. When you say all when the man pocket dry and thing like that, you say for me put it on good for you and it a sell out and thing. What you say money for run and spend on the general, no.
I will give him tea already.
Yeah.
I'll drink tea. I say, you want tea? And you say, oh, you have tea.
You want more tea?
I'm confused.
Well, it more tea there.
You want more tea?
Yeah. You want different tea. We have mint tea. We have Tetley tea, all kind of tea. Any tea you want, because you're going good. And that's how the thing.
You're going to say if you beat them down. Beat them down and sponge bath them. And use a loofah.
No, but what you think about them women who them have this thing and say, yo, if a man perform good and thing and whatever, they, at no point them for spend our money upon the man. And they, you know what I mean? I like, make a woman now go post and say, boy, Ray, and she spend her money upon the man. Right away them start beat her. I want to you, some gal of your mind, man. Some gal throw the C partner and Ray, and them start stigmatize them. I will if a woman a spend money upon a man, I'm afraid to make it in the public, you know, because them things that people are going to shame.
Anyone will say, them will get good, and them not spend, them that mean them never get the best yet.
Jesus.
When they get the best, you not even think, but you don't spend.
Talk up. When it that good, you don't even contemplate it or whatever.
Ask no question. You know, your sugar didn't say a 4 figure she touch. I want to know.
Yeah, Sugar Dean say, you know, when Sugar Dean did that give with a mix up there, she said, when the boy put it on good, she said she just never realized, she just start spend. She just start spend and start work. She start volunteer for work.
You think a strip club in there doesn't make it rain. You think a strip club in there doesn't make it rain.
So you say, any woman say she would have never spend her money upon a man for a good work. She never get a good work yet, no?
She never get a good yet. I'm if I tell you.
But what about them?
When you don't spend, y'all check yourself. When you're done, so you check yourself and I say, who robbed me?
No. So we then all the money done already. I want to do with the money. All the money done already. Me not understand. No, but suppose some real hot girl, some real hot woman I listen you right now and say foolishness you attack. Me get good work. Me get the best of the best work and whatever. I me never want you to spend a dime on a man, a cent on a man, because me don't have to and I will never do so. What you have to say to them woman they will listen?
I am here to tell them.
Yeah.
I am here to tell them they have never been digmatized.
They have never been digmatized.
Yeah.
Never been digmatized.
Never.
No, that good, Prezi. They have never been digmatized. Them not have that something there yet. There. Okay. Tell them here. But me think I just mean some woman mean though, you know. I mean them mean though, you know. Me think I mean them mean, man.
Them come out on the broke on the neck, and say good this and good that. Good body man forget things. That's the thing.
Good body man forget things.
Yes.
Me like it.
Yes. Not stay long.
Thing.
Bye.
No, all right. Big up yourself, you know. That's your word here. No, the show they're on fire tonight and thing. Gummy, big up yourself. Press. No. Well, I'm glad me look over upon the wall and see what I go on. Okay, people. Yeah. If you're calling from the US or Canada, the number is 8-toll-free 888-546-8744. What you know? Somebody said, me find your ragga. Me find your back. Boston, Massachusetts. Big up yourself, Boston, Massachusetts. And thing. Now, worry, man, me there, man. People are find back ragga. Enough people don't know say the thing. All of Jamaica, them still a find back ragga. Everything is everything. What they are same here, man. Same energy, same vibes, and same madness and thing, you know? So we do with thing or whatever. We say entertainment, we make people laugh and forget them stress. Now for no laugh right, I know one thing, I know so I forget all on the problem a while ago. When the thing I turn over a while ago, I forget the problem, I want to stress and all these things. Well, that's the point. All right, in the meantime, under my nose mix up one thing, seeing we have about 34 minutes to go. President, we could take a break right now. We're soon forward. We could take a break right now. We're soon forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say Irie.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Up in the juggling, back in the juggling, Ragashanti live in your thing. I hear what going on. That's why I remind you, know, say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We do it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Papa, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's all about the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. The Bridge 99 FM on Monday and Wednesday, I should say. Mondays and Wednesdays, Jamaica time is 9 o'clock. The thing start Jamaica time on Mondays and Wednesdays, right? 9 o'clock, Mondays and Wednesdays, Jamaica time, right? But on Fridays, Jamaica time, the thing start 8 o'clock, Jamaica time. On Fridays, New York time at 9 o'clock. So it start 8 o'clock in Jamaica, and it start 9 o'clock up here, and it's a simulcast. So we're broadcasting on both stations simultaneously on a Friday night. All right? And again, it's Ragashanti Live, 9 o'clock here on Fridays in New York. No. Yeah. 9 o'clock here on Fridays in New York. And 8 o'clock on Fridays in Jamaica on a Friday night. All right? And I don't know, so the Friday night are the energy thing and whatever, and I saw the thing set up and whatever, as you're presently experiencing it. And thing. But we're up on under my nose mix up and thing and whatever, and we have about a half hour to go. So if you have any under my nose mix up where you know about, where you did involve in a, or where you know happened to somebody or other people and thing, give me a call and tell about it, no? All right? And we done, you know, so I'm going to the mix up with the brother, the youth, who live with him father, and then, you know, I'm bringing him lady and thing, and the dede, whatever, like, I'm going to the full mix up. But, you know, him and him woman did end up in all kind of drama, and him go to him father for counsel, and him father counsel them and all these things and whatever, and rare, and all the while look at thing pop up, and the father counsel them, and thing till them left, and the woman gone about her business and whatever, and in the long run, they would find out, say, yo, the father did a shell her out, she did a shell out the father shell her out, all the while, when time them did there at the house, when she did live at the house with him, and thing. And even after she left him, she and the father did still involve and all them something there. In other words, the shellings did go right under him nose. That's a Jamaican colloquial expression, to talk about some sort of illicit activity that's occurring right in your presence and you're totally unaware. And it's right there in front of you, happening right there, and you have no idea that such events are occurring right under your nose. So that is the Jamaican term for it, all right? Again, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. That's 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. In the meantime, to the phone lines, we're going to go tonight. Greetings. Hello.
Hello. One more time. This is Trini, a.k.a. Gummy. And I would like to volunteer to help you host the show every Friday. I will volunteer because just show them what it's really about, And I can take it. The more they come for me, they can give it, and you're going to do it clean.
Trini,
you understand? Because you...
No, Trini... where did I try to get some other people? Them a cuss and I say, you are getting all the time and them can't get in, So me just do
because them not try to forget to you, Star. Them not try. Me take my time to get through. Them not try. See, them not want to join in with the fun, the laughter, and all of them things there. Them not want to join in. I want to volunteer on Friday just to come on to respond to certain things, especially reaching out to women.
All right, Gummy, Prezi, we take it. Prezi, take our number here. Don't take our number. All right, me I try to get in somebody else here. Me no want them cuss me here and say that you are dominate the thing. All right? All right. Next call.
Good night, brother.
Hold on. Yeah, why go on?
Anyway, guess what me do already? Me usually deal with this guy, right?
Yeah.
And him can start out and everything, but, and then we go deal with him, brother. But the brother...
Hold on. What you say? What? You did there with one youth and him a deal with you good and then you can start out with him, brother?
Yeah. Him money around and everything, but the brother do it better because the brother eat it and him no want to eat it.
All right, hold on. Don't talk too much about the eating here, but you can't tell me, right? All right, so but don't give him a deal. Don't give. Well, yeah. Just set the brother a swipe and don't give him a detail.
And guess what now? All along, the two of them father try to work me out too.
No, but hold on. When you there with the youth, you come for involved with the brother. I feel him brother start look you quietly or you did like the brother?
Me did like him because him look good.
Oh, so that did start. You start get involved with the brother. That did start.
Well, me tell him say me want something and him buy me it and me go give him peace.
Wait, what?
Him buy me when me did want, so me give him peace, me give him some.
No, hold on. So when you there, you have your man, right? And one day now, and your sister and brother look good.
My man, but me and him did go on the side.
So you did have a man differently?
Yes.
Oh, so you did have a man who you're there with, and you did have a bonner man, right?
Yeah, all right, me go call it.
Right, so juggle with the bonner man. But then now you notice that the bonner man brother look good.
Yeah, him look better than the bonner man.
So you said to the brother, so one day you tell the bonner man brother, forget buy. Why you did ask him for buy you? You remember why you did ask him for buy you?
Yeah, but me don't want to mention it.
All right, don't mention it. So you ask him for buy you something. And after him buy you the thing now, what happened after that?
Well, then him, we start chat, and me say, all right, more give him peace, and him start out good.
So when you have fan a blow up on you?
Yeah, make me turn off the fan.
Yeah, don't make the fan blow up. So after him buy, when I buy for you, and you say, boy, so when you did ask him for buy you something, you do it in a way to make him know so you're kind of interested in him too, don't you? Do that something, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh. And so, hold on, him move to you after that, or you move to him? Him tell us if he come over or something like so, or you move to him?
Definitely after me give him that.
No. Before the sort out. After him buy the thing for you, what happened after that? Him say, him want shell it out, or you tell him say you want to give him some?
Well, like him.
Eh?
I tell him I like him.
You tell him say you like him, all right? And him say, okay, all right, then come in. And you say when you go over there now, the first time, him did swipe you?
No.
Oh, him never swipe you the first time?
No.
But the sort out did good?
Yes, a couple times, quite a few times. Well, every time him come, him call me.
Every time him forward in the area, him call you and then on a link up.
Yeah.
Okay, so even the sort out they did better than the sort out what you did that do with him, brother?
Well, yeah, in a way, it did, but the sort out better.
The sort out better.
Yes.
And what you say, him swipe, but him brother no swipe.
No.
Oh.
Nah.
And you like his swiping? You like when him swipe?
Definitely. It make me crawl upon the wall and the ceiling.
Jeez and God, so anytime him swipe, you pop off and beat things down.
Oh God, me I tell you, Raga.
Squeeze up him head with your leg them and all these things down.
Oh God, me I tell you, I'm ball and make peer nice. I'm love when me make nice, you know.
Stop, you're so bad. And then, so what I know, so you go and work, so you did that work, your man, your Bonner man, and the Bonner man brother?
Yeah.
Oh, so well on, sometimes you never get like tired out and thing or anything like that, no?
So when it come on to that, me can't get tired. Cause I'll Gummy more than take fear man any day.
Yeah! What you say, when it come on to sort out, you can't get tired or nothing or whatever because...
Me can't get tired of sort out, but me can take Gummy man any day.
You
me
can't...
guarantee you that.
No, Gummy, no. Attack your attack. Gummy said no. No woman can take her man from her. No woman can take her man from her. That Gummy said.
A joke she a make.
What you mean? So that you know possibly say you can't get to take her man from her. You think say you're good like that? Gummy say you can never take her man.
Back it up, Paddy man, Quinty Panny man, Tic Tac and all of them there. A joke she a make.
But Gummy say she a do that too.
A joke she a make, man.
But Gummy say she do that too and she satisfy her man. And her man nah burn her. What?
Tell her to bring him come.
Bring him come and what?
Any day.
Any day.
Any day I'm ready.
Any day you're ready for take a Gummy man from her.
I'm ready. Oh, you mean me take him?
No, but me know why you feel now we're still in but Gummy say one of the reasons why no woman can't take her man is because she don't have no teeth and her mouth never feel her yet.
Sure.
What?
A joke she a make.
What you mean?
A joke. My teeth them in my head and I guarantee you.
Yeah.
Me can do it better than she.
We say your headers better than Gummy headers, don't?
Better than fear any day of the week.
When
me have it like that.
Mad thing. All when she not have no teeth and just use her gum, you can still kill her with your teeth.
Me make a man chatting at tongues already and I tell me say, me love it that way, baby.
Hey, you know say Gummy, you know say when Gummy get eaten, she cuss bad word. You know say you make Gummy a cuss be a bad word right here now. Don't it?
She a clown.
Eh? She a clown?
She a clown.
No, but
why? Not cuss bad word.
No, cuss a bad word and thing, but...
No, me not to do that. Me tell her bring him come.
Bring him come and thing and whatever.
Bring him in, me ready any day.
So what you say, if you get, I just want you to forgive him and him, I'll forget Gummy name, don't?
Well, me not gonna say just one, but me know, me guarantee you, me love back it up. So you know me.
But back it up and not. Well, I'm back it up and not unusual.
Tell us that me can do that too if it come down to that.
Yeah. So you really believe say you sort out that good where you can pretty much get any man you want if you want the man you can get the man, eh?
Me I tell her, say me in my 40s, me old, but me no call. And I be a little young boy. Me I tell her, say me look good.
Oh,
Look a young boy love see me when me come on road card and tell me some my breast is stiff. Sore boy me up, sore pitney me up.
Well, so when you walk on the road, the young boy, them a tell us say you titty them. Okay.
I want to, me look good. I love cocky top back.
Okay. Oh, Jesus, you make me get nervous. So you love cocky top back and things. So
yeah.
So your back as I want name brand back as you have, don't?
All right, me have the winery.
You have the winery and things. Oh, well on. Sweet, well on. Somebody named Sweet Cheek I post something about you. She said, well on. Raga, a lie she a tell. Me, she named Sweet Cheek and she said, Raga, a lie she a tell. Me Sweet Cheek, my sort out wicked and unfair and she could have never take my man a beer chat she have. She said, yeah, beer. Sweet Cheek. Well on, talk to her. She named Sweet Cheek. Talk to her. Yeah.
Baby, a joke you make because me I tell her say, me nah mind no man with for me money and them have to bring all of the money come. When Friday come, me phone no stop ring off.
Jeez, because you're good like that, don't?
Friday my phone ring off 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And a girl man a call me. A girl man a call me. She a joker. Sweet Cheeks affiliator.
Sweet Cheeks affiliator. Tell her again.
She go all her corner. She start out fear man every weekend. He must be coming.
When Friday come, him call you before him call she, don't?
Before him reach him yard.
Yeah, him reach you first. I want him to Sweet Cheek.
I want to her. She have to later. She have to hold her corner.
You see it. She don't even know the powers where you have. She don't even know the powers where you have and all your things set and whatever this and that.
Definitely.
Boy, you're full of confidence, though. I hope you're really good like that and not just chat you have, you know.
May I tell you, Raga, and I just chat.
Well, on, talk it God truth. You ever sat out with a man yet and him not call you back, you have to call him first. Talk it truth.
Nah.
That never happened yet?
It never happened. But guess what me do on a regular basis? Sometimes I get fed up of them 1, 2, 3 times. I say, ewa. Nobody call back.
Oh. Okay, so you are govern your thing right through, don't?
All right.
Okay.
Me run things not run me.
So hold on, so all of the man them where you deal with, are you run things with, are you run them head? None of them never run your head yet?
No, me definitely run people head. Me run them head.
So hold on, no man never, you never love a man yet to the point where you're just weak to him and him, y'all behave like a yammed round him more time and you don't even did want to do that. That never reach you yet, none at all?
Back in the days.
Oh, back in the days. Okay, but not now.
Nah, me seasoning are the thing, you know. Me don't make certain things get to my head.
Okay. And a high school thing again. A big man something right, I know. And you govern your thing. So what you say, the youngers, them a draw for you left, right, and center, right, you know. Them want some of the big man flex, don't?
All and
young. You have it like that, don't? Mad thing. And some of them could all listen right now and just want bad mind or whatever.
So you just tell Sweet Cheek.
Sweet Cheek, yeah?
Yes. Send on fear, man, but make sure she send the money come.
Send the money come and whatever, okay.
Yeah, Gummy beer, Gummy. And Gummy. Run the $1,000, because I guarantee you me can take him.
But, hey, I had you up Gummy head right now, you know, let me tell you that here. Gummy, of course, be a bad word right now, yeah?
Anyway, Raga,
yeah.
You have a good night, and I'm always listening, baby. I love you.
Raga loves you too, sweetie. Raga loves you so much.
From Jamaica, okay?
Wait, which part of Jamaica you call from? Make me know.
Saint Ann.
Saint Ann, leave it right. There's a proper respect, yeah?
All right. Big up yourself, Raga.
Mad thing. So the thing said. Yo, Saint Ann say, Sweet Cheek, she will take away your man. And thing, you know, bring your man forward, you don't get him back. If a man drop in her nest right now, you don't get him back, Sweet Cheek. And St. Anne say, Gummy, attack. You understand? But, You don't have no teeth and whatever, and you don't get a woman $1,000 because you should take a man because she can't do that because your mouth never fail you yet. Same time she will take with that. Oh, that if you know. Prezi, give me a card. Give me a card. No, man, right there, sir, Prezi, right there, sir. Okay, no, man, okay, 12 free from America. Canada, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. And me knows Mixup. And me knows Mixup. Jamaicans don't know what and me knows mean. And think 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. People do remember I said this Sunday, it's all about the month-to-month thing up on Mingles, right? And it's all about a thing named Teardrops, brought to you by Furniture Deal and IrieJam. And people, wanna know, send me ask about the thing. Which selector the wickedest dresser in a New York City? You understand? I want to big up Glamour Wayne and somebody call in and say Ricky Genius. But this Sunday, at Teardrops, the two selector them. This Sunday at Teardrops is Glamour Wayne and Ricky Genius. People want to go there. Me want to be unbiased and look on the two of them. And me want to call me back next week Friday and tell me who take it in the dressing. If a Glamour Wayne win, a Ricky Genius win. If a Glamour Wayne win, a Ricky Genius win. And me, right now, me I telling you, say, Ricky Genius, me know Ricky Genius, me Ricky Cool and whatever. Me know Glamour Wayne for donkey years. A team Glamour, me say, and think Glamour, big up yourself, you know, me generally, I'm my brother. Glamour Wayne, you have to represent, you know. Me don't want you lose, you know. Try to say Ricky Genius, I'm going to put on some good clothes Sunday. Worse, I'm going to select some bad tunes Sunday. So Glamour, this Sunday, me want you select the wickedest tune them we have and make sure say you're clean. Me want people call me next week Friday and say, Raga, me not lie. Not because you say Team Glamour, but a Glamour win for true. Ricky go and vote him, couldn't hold it. You understand? This Sunday, 6 o'clock, Mingles, Teardrops. Big people music and thing, enough vibes and thing. Dress up and beard and put on them clothes. Smell good, something and that thing there. All right? Make sure you're there. Now, give me the call, person. Give me the call. Hello.
Hello.
Who this?
Hello.
No, Robert, I can't talk to you now. Bring in that. No, Robert, I said no. Next call. Robert, no. Next call. No, next call, President. Next call. Come on, Robert. Come on, man. Bill, man. Hello, give me the call. Hello. Yeah. You see it, Robert, you make people them call, drop and whatever. Robert, go easy, man, until we try to get in some other people and thing. On that person. Robert, don't hold deep on the thing, man. No, because you see Gummy get in several times. At the first Gummy call and thing and whatever. All right, Robert, Bill, man, and thing. Just work with me, man, Robert. You can't hold deep on the thing. We'll teach you, all right? Robert, remember saying you don't know the road code, you know, so we'll teach you certain things, see? Right? And you have to kind of learn to balance out your thing. You can't just run in all the way, all the time. Here, Robert, I look out for you, you probably don't know, you know, Robert. I just teach you the thing, all right? You know, Robert, you know when people get tired of you. Here, Robert? Don't make people get tired of you. Don't get annoyed with you, all right? Balance the thing, man. All right? Just cool. Yo, President Robert, Robert thinking a big star. President, y'all go me and say, yo, you know what I mean for court host the show? Oh, God. Yo, President, when you were Gummy say that, Gummy say, yeah, man, on Friday, I'm for co-host the thing with you. I'm for run the thing, Raga. I have it locked. I want to some people. Anyway, when Vinny said, Dan the Shandy man still out there, man. Everything is everything, man. People do remember, you know, again, you know. Lord Jesus. President, all right, give me the card. Hello. Greetings.
Hello.
President, what? Prezi, so you okay, all right. Balance, people, balance. I mean, run the show, yeah? Yo, you know something, care about that. I mean, run the show. I rather run the show, all right? Oh, then I take it over, right? I years me I do this. I know when people want to take over the thing and care. So I have to manage, you know, yeah? I have to firm up sometime, all right? Yeah, all right, yeah, I could see what I go on. Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, see, there's somebody else getting. Yeah, what I go on?
Ragashanti, what go on?
But there you know, what I say?
Yeah, are you YouTube now work?
The IrieJam one now work right now, yeah? There's something them have to fix. But you can't get it on Facebook. IrieJam on Facebook. All right?
Me not Facebook.
No, but if you have YouTube, you can't get Facebook.
Huh?
If you can't get on YouTube, you can't get on Facebook.
No, me can't get it on Facebook.
Yeah, but it's just IrieJam. It named IrieJam 360 on Facebook. IrieJam and the number 360. All right?
360.
Yeah, man. Irie, I-R-I-E, space J-A-M, space 360. And that's it name on Facebook, yeah?
Okay, yeah. All right, cool.
All right, then, respect. All right, you see, so the online thing important, President. That may I tell you, you know. All right? Balance, people. People do remember, you know, we have two YouTube channel and thing where we want to subscribe to. And my thing them, right? One named Ragashanti TV and the other one named TamFam TV. One named Ragashanti TV and the other one named TamFam TV. Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. I want to go to them two YouTube channels there and click the subscribe button upon both channels and also click the bell upon both channels, right? Click the subscribe button. You just see it says subscribe. You click them on both channels and there's a bell on both channels. You click them. Again, some of the things a subscription mean that's something I have to pay for. No, on YouTube, no. It's not something you have to pay for, right? Am I think them there? Some of you ask for those click on them there and in terms of enjoying the content over them. Ragashanti TV a Mixup entertainment. TamFam TV a educational entertainment. Entertainment nonetheless, but more upon the educational side. So, and again, on Ragashanti TV on Thursdays, 1 p.m. US time, 12 noon Jamaica time, we have a thing named Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti, all right? I won't be there this Thursday because I have a very important appointment with the doctor. No, nothing wrong with me, I check up, but with the doctor and things. So I'm not going to go there this Thursday. But Thursday, the 12th of May, is the next edition of Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti. So make sure someone lock in with that. So again, Ragashanti TV. So you go over YouTube and you put in Ragashanti TV and you click subscribe and make sure you click the bell too. That is important, right? And when you go over there and there is hundreds of hours of content, hundreds of hours of comedic, laugh out loud, a little serious thing, because sometimes Mixup get heavy and thing, but whole heap of laughing and thing, with a healthy dose of Jamaican culture, right? And we are talking about the real Jamaican culture, indigenous Jamaican culture, right? Yeah, there's an activist dimension to a thing. We laugh and thing and whatever, because my motto is laugh, learn, and grow. But at the same time, one of the things with this internet thing, it gives certain constituencies voices that have long been denied spaces in the media landscape. So we just want to give thanks for that liberating component of social media, the internet and technology and whatever. Yeah, we can put a voice out there because it was long the case that certain people perspectives worldviews and indigenous native Jamaican way of seeing and explaining the world was denied, access to Jamaican media in the name of certain type of discourse where them say is more appropriate for officialdom, right? And the everyday people them did exclude from media, right? And that was my little activist dimension. That was my little pet peeve, to include a voice there in the media. I'm glad all the thing kind of take off certain ways. Enough of them are cuss you, but them still have for them space. Them still have enough space to do what them want to do. And thing. And all when them have all the space to do what them want to do, them still not like hear our voice on the thing. But when you push through or whatever, you're going to get opposition, And you have to just go and push through and thing. Enough space there for everybody. Enough space there for everybody. And we now fight them thing for them thing there a long time and thing and dominate the space or whatever. Space there for share for the whole away. You understand? And, in terms of a political objective, that has always been part of my, agenda in doing this thing, for normalize our voice in the media so that we can enjoy it, so that we can explore topics too in our language, with our symbols, with our explanations, with our theories, right? And our methodologies. See? So that's the thing there, right? So make sure so go over Ragashanti TV on YouTube, subscribe to the thing, enjoy Jamaican culture in its linguistic manifestation over there, particularly with the old Ragashanti live shows that we post, all right? There is a listening channel, a channel on Ragashanti TV, right? There is a playlist, right? And when I playlist is a Ragashanti Live Classics. Ragashanti Live Classics that have a whole heap of shows from back in the day. I have a whole heap more when I put up. But through them have to edit. Them take time for edit and when we put up. So I just gradually I put them up. So for months and months and months we come, more shows I go put up. Because of years and years me I do this. And I have all of the show them. I want to thank you for hang out tonight and thing and whatever. I want to thank you for the fun and the energy. You know what, a Friday something and thing. Big up on yourself. I did enjoy myself. For those of you who want other people to listen to the show, I'm going to edit up this. I'm going to put it up on Ragashanti TV just as how I do all of the show them and thing. All right? So all of my Bridge 99 FM show them and all of my IrieJam show them. Them they over there on Ragashanti TV too, in them own playlist. So you can go back and listen to them at the arts content and you can share them. Share them to a friend and thing. You can share them on WhatsApp and all these things. Take care of yourself, people, and thing. And do remember to see them Monday again. Right, yes, up on the Bridge 99 FM. Again, and of course, that's at 9 o'clock Jamaica time, Monday. Right? And of course, you can listen on the IrieJam 360 app anywhere in the world. The IrieJam 360 app anywhere in the world. And of course, also on the Bridge 99 FM. The big bad station where I take over Jamaica. The Bridge99fm.com. The Bridge99fm.com. Big up on yourself, people. Take care. Road.